Happy Tuesday to you. What is going on? Good morning, Scott. Good morning, George. What up, boys? Hope you guys are doing good today. Hope everyone is having a great morning so far. Morning, afternoon, whatever it is. Evening, I'm sure some people are, right? But what's the deal? What is the deal? Morning, Jason. What's up, brother? Z Gamer, good morning. Dope. Dope's in the house. That's pretty dope. Yeah. George, good morning, brother. Good to see you here. All right. See what we got here today. Bunch of yellow folders. Nothing too crazy. It's gonna be a good day. Let me get Discord all set up here, and then we're good to go. What you guys do in London session? Anything good? Oh, I see some blue. Nice, nice, nice. Dope. All right, perfect. Let me get Zoom set up and get everything going, and we will be ready to rock. What's up, though, everybody? Everybody doing good? Happy Tuesday. Don't be rude. Come on and say it back. Come on, wake up. Shake the dust off. You had a good night rest, right? Good night's sleep. Now it is time to get to work, ladies and gentlemen. Work. And the work I'm talking about is the work on your dreams and goals, man. Let's share this link. All right. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Switch up the... We gotta restart our soundtrack here. Let's restart it. There we go. About to be at the end of our 11-hour soundtrack. All right, cool. All right, I think we're good. I think we are good to go. Let's do a top-down analysis here. Let's get rid of all this. Head up to the weekly. Got my tools out. Got my toolbox. Everybody ready to go? Y'all good? What do we got? 40 people here. Good morning, Janet. Janet. All right. Rolex. What up, Scotty boy? Hey, Scott. How's the new view, my man? How's the new view, Scotty boy? Amazing. Good stuff, brother. Tropical. There you go. Tropical. Nothing like tropical. I encourage you guys, if you don't live somewhere where it's tropical, get so free in trading that you can work from anywhere, make money from anywhere at any time, and get yourself a place in the tropics. Life hack, life hack. All right, I think we're good here. So let's do a, excuse me, a top-down analysis here on our best buddy, our best friend, gold. All right, let's just take a look at the monthly time frame and see what we got going on here. So let's do it here. So we do have this gold monthly time frame here, right? High time frames. Looks like we had a closure above this resistance right here to the left. and now we are breaking into that new range, right? So this candle was able to close above, and then the next candle was able to drive up and fill the wick. Now, according to price and according to what candles do, technically this candle has done its job at this point, right? We came up, we filled this wick, broke the high. It's done its job, and now it's just starting to reject, right? So we're coming up into these highs right here, and we did not break these highs, right? We didn't break this high, and we never broke this high either. So we came right to it, never broke it, but we did fill the wick, which is what this candle's job was to do, right? So now we don't know, are we going to continue up and re-break the highs? So that way we are, you know, creating new all-time highs here, or are we going to reject, right? Because last time we came in this range here, chat, we rejected, right? Every single time. So we rejected already once. Now we got to see how this monthly candle, right? It's only the 9th day of the month right now. So we're only in the 9th day here, and we've already broken the high and pushed up. So yeah, very interesting. This could be a candle with a big bark and no bite, right? Just breaking the high and then gonna fail to reject or fail to break these highs. Or it may come on back up and re-break its own high and continue up. We don't know that yet, right? These are things that we have to wait on the markets for. We can't try and predict these things. We can't try and you know, predict them or call them out and say, hey, you know, it's going up, or just start buying right here. No, we have to really kind of see how price starts to move. So let's take a look at the weekly here as well. So weekly time frame as well. Last time it looks like you rejected here, this 2070 area, and we rejected once again here. So if we do look at the weekly though, and we zoom in on it so we can clearly see what's going on, we do see that we did close above this resistance. Oh, right, hold on, right here. The most recent resistance we closed above, and yes, you can say we rejected, but you can also say that this is a wick fill, right? Now, if we look left, it makes sense that this candle rejects, right? We got rejections. So it makes sense on why this candle would reject. Now we have to make sense of it, right? So one thing I noticed about this current weekly candle is it pushed up, but it's got very little bottom wick on it, right? And we know that a lot of times that is not going to be the actual bottom wick. So can we continue down? I believe we've already broken the daily highs, but is this going to be the bottom wick to fill this huge wick right here? Yeah, something looks sketchy to me about that. I do believe that we should come down to create a steeper bottom wick, right? Today's Tuesday, right? Second day of the week here. So yeah, we're gonna have to see this candle, right? I know we closed bearish on Friday, right? We closed very strong bearish on Friday. That was what this wick represents. See this wick right here? All this is this bearish candle, how we closed on Friday, right? Extremely bearish. Now, one thing I'm looking at here is that we have a support, right, on the daily, and we have a resistance. So this is the range that we're currently in on the daily time frame, right? So right now we've broken the highs. So what I was looking at yesterday was I was looking at this zone right here and wondering that if we close below it, if we can get a daily celery play, right? And I was all for that up until about 20 minutes ago when we broke these daily highs. Now we can still break the lows and come down, but we've officially broken these daily highs at this point. So we're gonna, you know, we most likely could see a push up. Now I believe the hour candle closed, yes, this hour candle closed with no top wick. We'll get to that in a second. But we don't know. Maybe we push up, break the highs, and then break the lows here today for a daily celery play, that could be the case. We'll keep our options open for that, but as of right now, we do have to trade what we see, right? And what we see is we see a support right here, and we see a candle pushing up, filling the wick, and pushing up pretty heavy here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour and see what that looks like. So we got some more information here. So the nearest 4 hour support is right here, and then you have a 4 hour resistance right here. Okay, so this 4 hour candle, it looks like you have a little bit of a celery play here as well, is trying to make its way outside of this range here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, what that looks like. 1 hour, you have a resistance right here. Candle closed with no top wick, nothing we could do about that. This candle's pushing up. This candle's pushing up with no bottom wick, so nothing we can do here. Nothing we can do here. The next range you're coming up to is going to be this 2034 630 range. This is your next area where price has clean range above, right? So hey, if these candles start taking off with no top and bottom wicks, it is what it is, right? It's not part of our plan, so we're not worried about any of this happening. So what we're waiting for now is, well, we've broken the daily highs. Looks like we're pushing up. 4 hour candles ripping right now. 1 hour candle is open, pushed up right away with no bottom wick, so nothing we could do there. 30-minute candles have been pushing up, and yeah, that's all we got right now, right? So on the 30-minute time frame, you have a support right here where when we closed above, we pushed up, and then we also have an area right here. So if we're looking at this based off the 30, then we could say we could look for buys above here. But if we're going to base it off the 1 hour, then we got to move that up a little bit, right? Got to move that up, got to move this line up here. And you could say if we get a closure above this level, then price should be able to continue up, right? You got clean traffic to the left hand side. You got one minor resistance right here, which that's you know, where we would put stops at break even and make it a risk-free trade here. So that's what, 2040. So yeah, we still got clean traffic on the way up. I do believe that we can continue down. For some reason, I just feel like we're gonna break the high to potentially break these lows again. So it's just a feeling. It's just a feeling. Not saying it's gonna happen, right? Just a feeling. So just with these candles as well, these 1 hour candles, they're not true candles, right? They're just no top wicks, no bottom wicks, very little top wicks, no bottom wick yet. So we may see rejection up here as well, but we have to see that, right? We can't just try and predict it, but I just have this gut feeling about that. But if not, we take buys above here. And if we're looking for sells today, we're gonna look to, you have this 4 hour resistance right here. Let's see what this looks like on, on the 1 hour time frame. All right, you got this support here. So yeah, I think we could look for sells below 2024 here today. You got a nice clean range right here. Let's take a look at that range. You got a 40 pip range here, so not too bad, where we could look for sells, and buys should be good above here now that we're breaking daily highs and doing all that good stuff. All right, so we'll keep an eye on what happens here, because I know there is a 30-minute, there's some 30-minute resistance right here. So let's see what happens here, because if we start getting rejections and bearish closures, then there may be something for us in this range today. But as of right now, that's gonna kind of be the no trade range here, and see if we can get candles to close above, clean traffic on the 30-minute, or candles to close below here on the 1 hour time frame. Cool. And if you don't like the sells below 24, then you could always wait for sells below 2020 here. Alrighty. Oh, stream upcoming 10:45 this morning. Oh man, I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna have to talk to Nicholas about that. Candles do push up even with just nipple bottom wick. Yes, they do. Yep. I'm looking for GJ sells. Nice. We'll go over GJ real quick also. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be what I'm looking at here as of right now today. We don't have too much of clear price action just yet. I'm sure as we continue on into the session, we'll get some more price action. We'll be able to have a little bit more detail. But right now, these 1 hour candles are just running up, right? So nothing we could really do there. This range right here, I want to see, is about a 70 pip range. So not too bad, right? So we'll see if we can get up there. We've potentially, we got this support, right? And this candle, if we're creating support, there's an 80% chance that this candle right here is gonna retest the most recent resistance. And where's the most recent resistance here today? Right up here. Right, so this daily candle, by the end of today, could potentially look something like this. Cool. And it is pushing. So let's mark this off. So we got off the 30-minute time frame, we got buys above 2032. 530, 534. So buys above there, and then if anything, we can look for sells. Let's see if we reject this level. We obviously know we have something right here that we could potentially close below and be able to push down. So possible sells below there, and we'll have to just kind of see how that starts to unfold as we move into the session here. Right now we'll keep them right. Yeah, right now we'll base everything off the 30-minute time frame. Cool. Sweet. Oh yeah, there he is. What up, Greenery? All right, let's take a look at pound yen here. Pound yen closed with no bottom wick on that 30. All right, so weekly time frame on GJ. So again, we've been expecting a bit of a pullback here on pound yen. Looks like we're gonna get that now, right? We talked about this last week. We have that candle that closed right at resistance with no top wick. Next candle pushed up right away, ended up closing bearish, leaving us a wick to fill here. And that's a nice solid range here, right? You re-break these weekly lows, you come down a nice 180 pips here. So we have a nice wick to fill. That wick, if we look left, we notice that it makes sense, right? You have a wick here, and then you have these, these levels of support and resistance, or resistance in this case, right here, where price can start to hiccup, right? And stutter step a little bit. So the wick fill, I believe, is there for us. I believe it's there for us this week. We just got to find entries, right? So let's take a look at the daily time frame. So daily, you have a resistance up here. You have a support right here, and right now your daily time frame is just, it came down, created support, rejected here, now broke the lows, so it looks like we're pretty bearish on the day. And where could we come down to, right? We could either create some sort of resistance here and tomorrow continue down to fill our wick, right, on the weekly time frame. But we could also do that today, right? So how can we anticipate sells here today? How can we anticipate buys? Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you have a resistance right here. Your most recent support is going to be right here. If we stretch this out, this will make a lot more sense to you. There we go. And it looks like you haven't had a candle close below just yet. So we can't just automatically start selling because we see what's going on here. We've already broken the high, number one. And this candle right here never closed below. And at one time, you see this big wick? At one time, that candle looked just like the candle you're seeing right now that you're getting all excited about. It looked just like this at one point. and then came back up and closed above the range. So we can't just jump on things because we see what's going on, right? We need to, or we look and we see volume and stuff like that. We're never overly concerned with volume. We're more concerned with our setups, with our entry types, than we are with just random volume, right? So if you guys can understand that, that's going to help you out. That's going to rid you of a lot of FOMO in the markets. A lot of you guys just jump right at volume, right? And I get it. I've been there, right? I get it. You want to catch this beautiful move. There's money to be made, but I'm telling you, if you want to really dig your heels into this game for the long term, then you really got to sit and really fine detail these things out, right? We've broken the high already. Chances are we can make a bottom wick. As long as we respect the low, we can continue up, re-break the high, close bullish, and close above this range here today, right? That's a possibility. We've never broken the lows yet, but we have broken the highs. So based off the daily candle though, we are going to be looking for sells, but we're going to be open for buys as well. We've broken the daily lows. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, right? We have a little bit of adjustments to make, right? This doesn't look, if we use these zones right now in the 1 hour time frame, that wouldn't look correct, right? It wouldn't look correct to you guys. So what we got to do is we got to make some adjustments here, right? We have a support right here, and then you have a resistance right here. Now if we look above this resistance, what do you see? Another resistance, another resistance, another resistance, and one more resistance, right? Now what would be the point of trying to take a trade in this range right here, right? Absolutely no point in looking for buys right above here. Why? Because you're running into resistance after resistance right here. So very, very high chance you can reject, right? Until you get an actual closure above this level right here, 17600, you can reject that on every single candle. So what we're going to do is, instead of leaving our resistance at the most recent, we're just going to adjust it, right? We're going to move it up here. We're going to just say today straight up that these pips from 170.277 to 175.32 are not our pips today, right? We're not going to touch anything in this range today. We don't want to get slowed up. We don't want to get choked up by these weeds here, right? We want to see a clean candle that closes above this level for us to say, okay, we can confidently now take advantage of this range right here to the left hand side, right? Boom. Very, very simple. Retest the highs, right? Same thing with sells. You want to wait for a close below here, and then you have clean traffic coming down to the left hand side here. So that's what I'll be waiting for. Won't take any buys in here, but pretty clean above this 1975.32 range. This would be our confirmation candle. This would be our trading candle. Very, very simple. Stops to break even right around these levels, and pretty much full TP up here, right? I could already explain the trade to you long before we take it, right? A lot of you guys, you jump on the charts, you see a candle moving, you just press buy. You don't even have a stop loss, you don't have a plan, you don't have anything, right? We're already planning the trades out potentially hours before we take these trades, right? This is what the professionals do, right? This is what the pros do. The newbies and the rookies, they're the ones that get in and they get all faked out and fooled out and triggered by emotion. So all we're doing is setting up logical plans here for the day, and we will stick to those plans by all means necessary. So this is what's going to look like for GJ here. So sells below for me. I know some of you guys are jumping into sells, but be careful. This candle doesn't have a bottom wick. But for me today, sells are going to be below 169.873, and then buys are going to be above 170.532 here today. Cool. Range 2 buys, by the way. Range 2 buys because we're going against the daily, and sells below here. Let's take a look at what these ranges look like on the daily. Well, what do you know? We break the daily low again. Chances are we're going to continue down. That's where our sells are below. If we do break this low, you're going to see a push, right? That's most likely going to happen during times of volume, and that's when we like to get into trades. And then if we do get a closure above here, very high chance we're breaking the daily high. And if we do break that daily high, then you know, maybe we can come up and fill this wick here. So that is the plan on GJ today for me. Cool. Clean sells though. Clean sells. Nice range right here. All right, perfect. Perfect. So that's the day. Champions. Now we just wait. Now we just wait. What up, John? Good morning, bro.
What's going on? Good morning, chat. How we doing?
Let me grab my excess. One sec. John's in the building.
Sir. Another day, another discipline. All right. Good morning, Jose. Z Gamer, good morning. Good morning, Scott. What's good? What's good? Yes, sir, Scott, 100%. We focus on patient and disciplines today. Focus on patient and discipline for our setups, for our plan, right? We are professionals. We'll win the day. The wins add up.
Win
so
the day.
Let's focus on those two things.
Win the day, boys.
Uncle Scout, good morning.
Cheers, boys.
What's going on? Hey, excellent, boy.
Woo! All right, now we good. Now we are good. Yeah, chat. Listen, man. You know, I joke about it and stuff, but it's so true, right? Don't get too caught up on volume in the markets. Like, if you guys plan on doing this long term, you're gonna have to look past volume, right? We love volume. Don't get me wrong. We love volume, right? We love it, and we love when it's there. But we're not basing our trading just off of volume, right? Volume is what we're looking for, but our setups are way more important. We have to continue to do things that we know that works. We have to continue to do things that we have data on that works. We can't just randomly take positions because there's a lot of volume in the market, right? I used to trade and I used to think once there's volume in, I'm in, you know, just pick a direction, whatever way it's going. Don't wait for bottom wicks, don't wait for top wicks. And man, I can't tell you how much money I lost doing that. So where things really became structured for me was in making sure that I was really abiding by a specific system and entry, a setup types and entry types. If you guys don't know, if you guys don't have a setup type and an entry type, then start to figure those things out, right? Because that's another thing. So there, you could have your setup play out perfectly, but if the entry isn't there, then there's no trade, right? And you guys have to understand that there's going to be times where you have to call the trade off, right? You can't just get in, like if things don't line up, you can't just blindly get into a trade because you want to take a position, right? Of course, you don't think I would like to be in these buys up here? Absolutely. But on the 1 hour time frame, there was nothing we can do. This candle right here closed, right? If we marked it off here, candle closed with no top wick. Automatically, my brain shuts down this trade, right? Where some of you guys, and what I used to do was the next candle would start pushing and I'd be thinking, I got to get in. I got to, you know, like, how can I get in? Should I just press buy? Like, should I just do it now? Where's my stop loss? I can't have a legit stop loss, right? Because if this candle doesn't have a bottom wick, it could push up, then pull back to make a bottom wick. So I can't, you know, so you don't want to be confused, right? In a trade, you don't want to be scrambling. You want to know exactly what you're doing, why you're doing it, and you want to execute on that every single time. And then you want to let those probabilities play themselves out. You want to have an opportunity to gather data, gather probability data, right? Based off your trading. If you're trying to do this for the long term, right? This is a business. You got to be organized. You know, and you can't just gamble this thing, right? You can't just gamble with
100%.
the capital. So I don't know.
Yeah,
I just felt like
can,
saying that today.
Yeah, we could say be patient, disciplined to the playbook, to your system every single day. It all starts in the doing, right? You have to do it. You have to do it a consistent amount of days. You have to build the days up for it to become a habit. So it's all in the doing, you know?
Yeah.
So when you start becoming disciplined and patient for your playbook setups, with your rules, with your strategy, that's when you'll start to become that professional trader, right? So it's all in the doing.
Yeah, exercising the muscle.
Exactly. Building the discipline, patient muscle, like we talk about all the time.
Yeah, every time you exercise that muscle, it gets stronger and stronger.
Yep, and it's good that we tell ourselves this every single day, because it's repetition to the subconscious mind, right?
Yep.
It's just gonna be known.
Yep. And we don't say things to just say them, right? We say these things, and a lot of times, like when we talk about candles with no top wicks, bottom wicks, a lot of times you see it do exactly what we said, right? It pushed up really quick, but then boom, comes back down or something like that. And you know, if we would have blindly entered that, there could have been many times where we said, damn, we would have got caught up in that, right? So it's better to not be caught up in things that you don't know, things that you're not familiar with, and just keep things simple. Just keep it simple.
That's it.
Yeah, you don't want to mental energy, right? You're already dealing with money. Sometimes it could be a lot of money, right?
No.
And you want to keep things right. Proper planning prevents poor performance, right? Those are the 6 P's I used to learn about all the time. And you got to be prepared, right? Preparation is key. So we're prepared, right? For certain trades. We're not just saying out of the blue, all right, we're going to get in here, right? I don't think any of you guys are shocked whenever I say I'm getting into a trade, right? You guys can see the price action. You can, if you weren't on the stream, you could say very high chance Nick's taking that trade, right? There's never a time where you're like shocked at what I'm doing, right? I do the same thing over and over every single day. So that's that's what trading's about.
Yeah.
Same boring routine.
Yep. And it's so simple and easy to follow certain rules, like no bottom wick, right, or last 15 minutes of the hourly, because over time with experience, we've gone to them so many times and took those losses where we already know not to go against them. We already know what it feels like. So it's simple.
Yeah.
Simple decision.
Here's another thing that's wrong, is that we live in a society today that is extremely distracted. And the brain it can't stay focused. You know, like how many times we look at our phones every day, can't stay focused. So what I did this morning, I'll do this randomly, but I will just literally sit in silence. Like I sat in silence for almost 2 hours this morning. You know, and what does that help me do? You guys are probably thinking, man, that's some weird stuff right there. But you know what it does? It keeps me still, keeps me calm. Keeps me with self-control, right? Where I can have extreme self-control over my life, over the things I do, over what I think, over what I eat, over what I say, over what I'm doing, right? And it rids you of distraction and gets you super grounded, right? Like I want to actually expand upon this, and like in the future, just go to like rent a cabin or something and not bring anything and just sit for a day or two and just complete silence, don't even talk. And man, it's an extreme biohack for those that have never done this before. It's a biohack. Even 20 minutes of just stillness, not talking, not saying nothing, dude, try it. Complete biohack. So what that does, the point of it is that it makes me very clear on my objectives, right, in the market, very clear on my motives. It helps me understand, you know, I can sit still and be patient. I'm not going to get triggered anymore, right? Like when I first started trading, it was all about getting triggered, right? You get triggered based by movement and emotion and fear and greed and all this stuff. So what that helps you do is that helps you just stay extremely grounded in your trading. So Yeah, I just think a lot of you guys need to practice just being a little bit more still, right? Tapping in a little bit more spiritual, right? Getting into your you know, inner being, not needing so much outside stuff, you know, having your brain get all crazy over outside stuff, but just tame it down. Tame it down.
100%.
Yeah, it'll help you in the charts. It really will. It's very easy for me to be patient here now. It's very easy for me to let a trade go that doesn't fit my plan. Right?
Seriously.
It's simple at this
100%.
point. Simple. Easiest thing in the world to do. And I can make thousands of dollars doing it. Come on.
Exactly.
Come on.
And all we have to do is be patient and disciplined to it. That's it.
Yes. Man, I wish it didn't take me 2 years to figure that out. And it doesn't have to take you 2 years to figure that out either, gang. Like, listen to me, what I'm saying, and just believe in it. Promise you.
Yep. Just like you can't think a negative thought and a positive thought at the same time. You can't think an emotional thought and a logical thought at the same time, right? So while you're at the charts, you always have to keep logic. You always have to keep logic.
Yeah.
Or else those emotional thoughts are going to get to you, and then you're going to get tempted, and then you're going to go against your rules and plans, right?
Yep.
So always got to keep that logic in the back of your head.
Yes, sir. Can't even tell you how many times I broke my plan. It wrecked me.
Yep. Every time.
Almost every time. Very few times did it ever work in my favor. Uncle Scalp is in the building. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Xavier. Good to have you guys on the call last night, man. God showed up.
Yeah,
God moved in a big way last night, and that was amazing.
Yes, sir, it was.
Sam Capital's here. Bro, that's very much a type of meditation. Yep. Very powerful. Yep. Stillness, man. Good morning from the greatest place on earth. I love this guy. Pablo, good morning, bro. Great meditation.
You can just tell he loves his life.
Yeah, you can tell he wakes up every day fired up.
Yeah.
Gotta be fired up, man. You gotta wake up every day fired up out of your mind, dude. No one's gonna make you excited. No one's gonna make you happy. I got news for you. You're gonna complain all day long until you can finally just say, I'm done complaining. I am fired up. I got dreams. I got goals. I got an opportunity every single day to step one more foot in the right direction towards that goal. And you're gonna look back, and you're gonna look back, and you're gonna be like, wow, we made it. You know, we made it. We're here. And your appetite's gonna grow, and you're always gonna continue to want to go more, right?
It's that internal motivation.
Yes, sir. As someone who creates dreams very early on, what will the book be called when you write it, brother? Oh man, honestly, that's something I haven't thought about yet. But yes, guys, by the way, also writing every day. Getting your thoughts out, right? This is every day, right? Constantly creating my future, constantly being grateful for what I do have, right? The bread in my boat already, and literally just casting it into stone like the Bible says, right? Make it plain, right? I got notebooks, 4 or 5 notebooks in the closet back there, talking about can't wait to be where I am right now. Right? Pretty freaking cool, man. Pretty freaking cool.
You gotta be the author of your own book, of your own life, right?
Yes.
Like, writing is so powerful. You need to be writing down what you're doing this year, what goals you're hitting this year, whatever you're doing this year, whatever you're tackling, you have to write it down.
Yeah, man.
It's gonna turn into reality.
Most people are gonna ask you in life, hey, what do you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to be? What do you want to do? I'm gonna ask you a different question. How do you want to live? Right? How do you want to live in life? Not what do you want to do, right? Say some stupid thing because your mom or dad did that, or someone you know did that. You're not even passionate about. Ask yourself a different question. Ask yourself not what do I want to do, but how do I want to live? right? How do I want to live my life, the one life I've got? How do I want to live it? And then you start figuring out things to do based on how, you know, to create that lifestyle that you want to live, right?
Yep.
And then every day you go to work, and everything's done in the spiritual realm before it's in the physical, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
1 hour close, no top wick, nothing. GJ close bullish. What do you know? No bottom wick, bullish closure, my friends. So yeah, I'm gonna obviously be waiting, right? We're not gonna be getting caught up in this today. So if we do get closures above here, 170, that's where I'll be taking buys on pound yen. But as of right now, 7:30, there is nothing. Let's wait for the NY open here. But yeah, very true, Scott. May have to get the book situation going.
Yeah. Definitely gotta write a book.
One thing I am gonna start doing pretty soon, maybe pretty soon, probably start doing some vlogging and stuff like that. Just, you know, kind of writing the book, but recording the book also, right? Recording the footage of what we do, you know, the memories that we create, the experiences that we get to enjoy. Just start vlogging that stuff and having something to look back on, you know, having something to leave for the kids and everything. So
yep, definitely the vlogging will be fun.
Yes, sir. How about a look at US 30? How about it, my friend? Let's take a look. Yesterday we called out those amazing sells on US 30 below here, and they played out pretty well. So let's take a look at the Dow here today. So we got the weekly time frame. We've made a top wick. We should be able to fill this wick here on the weekly. The monthly time frame as well. Kind of closed right at resistance with no top wick. So we did break the high, but we've already broken the low. And this monthly time frame is cruising down at this point. Weekly again created this resistance right here. Closed below this support, and you got a nice little top wick, and now we should be good to fill this wick down here over the next couple days, right? Let's take a look at the daily time frame. That makes total sense. You do have a resistance, you have a support. Now this daily candle has no top wick yet, so be aware of that. There may be some sort of top wick to be formed here today. We've already broken the lows, but yeah, we don't have a top wick on that daily candle yet, so that's pretty interesting. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. No top wick on the 4 hour as well. Let's see, we got a resistance and really no support yet, right? The nearest support is all the way down here. You got really clean traffic to the left hand side. So let's take a look at the 1 hour, what that looks like. 1 hour time frame is cruising down here. You got a support here, we closed below. Next candle was able to drive down, fill this wick to the left hand side, tap into this level. I think you got more sells below 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 here today. Wait for a close below there, and then you should be pretty good. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it looks like a decent area, because right now you're in the middle of the range, right? So you don't want to take a sell here and run into, you know, these levels over here and start getting rejected, right? All right, that's right here. So I think it's best to wait for a closure below here, and then you can continue selling as you take advantage of this clean traffic here to the left hand side. So yeah, not bad. Not bad. US 30 sells look pretty good. I would just wait, right? Just wait till like the 4 hour, till like 9 a.m. Eastern. All right, unless you're able to take advantage of the closure below in this 1 hour candle here, then just wait. All right, this 1 hour candle is gonna come retest this zone here. So there's nothing in its way outside this wick right here that it may reject. Nice 17 points here. So yeah, it's about a 32 pip range, and then below that's super clean. So yeah, if you're not in already, I wouldn't take a sell here. I would just wait for a candle to close below here, or just wait for the next 4 hour candle. right? 4-hour candle. This one has no top wick, so and this one doesn't have a top wick either. So 4-hour candle may reject here, right, to come up to create that daily top wick. So we'll see. But sales below there look pretty clean. So yeah, that's what I would look at for US 30 here today. The Dow Jones. And then range 2 buys would be above this resistance. Range 2. Cool. Yeah, that's what I would do with US 30 here today. Very bearish though, but the daily no top wick and the 4-hour no top wick concerns me a little bit. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's what I would mark up right here. Buys above 33,500, sells below 33,453, and then you got clean traffic here for sales, man. Clean traffic coming down. I would say right into these zones right here, right into this area. Super clean, very clean candles to the left, and then buys. Yeah, you still have clean traffic up here, but you're gonna need that range 2. I would wait for a range 2 buy above here for sure, because you're going against the daily at that point. If you're looking at this daily candle only, I would be scared to buy right here, right? So you gotta wait for a range 2 and get that new resistance, a break of that new resistance, and then you can possibly look to take buys. Cool beans. And before we get the what's a range 2 question? Let me show you. So you get a push up, right? You get your closure. All right, so now you've officially broken above this resistance. This is your first range. This is range 1. Now you need some sort of second range to form, right? So probably look at something like this. You get resistance to form up here. Boom. Get a candle to close. Right, a couple candles come on down. Maybe get yourself a little fake out in that zone, and then have a support formed. So now you have a new range, right? So you have a new range here, right here. And now once you get a closure above that range, right, then I would say it's good to take buys. Especially if this happens during volume, right? So this is basically range 1, and this applies to when we're going against a daily bias here. So range 1 right here, and then this is range 2. Once you get, basically you have a resistance and a new support, that's your second range. You get a closure above there, next candle should be good to drive. Otherwise, you risk yourself getting faked out in the zone, and we've gotten faked out many times, and we don't want to continue getting faked out. So that is what we have learned to avoid fake outs here. All right, so that's US 30. Let's go back to gold.
Back to when we're talking about building the discipline muscle and patient muscle, right? That requires developing a skill, right? Training is all about developing skills. You need to develop the skill of being patient and disciplined for your setup. You need to develop the skill of not getting FOMO. You need to develop the skill of taking a loss and not letting it affecting you. You need to develop the skill of taking 2 or 3 losses in a row. You need to develop the skills of going on a 20 trade win streak and taking a loss and not letting it affecting you further on, right? Trading is all about developing these skills. So when you're here, you develop these skills. So that's good, right? It's good that you're here. So shout out all 82 of you who are here, developing skills and building muscles.
Yes, sir.
That's
The
what
mental
trading's about,
skills.
and that's how you're gonna become a professional.
Those
And that's
mental
awesome.
muscles.
Sir,
Hey, we got 82 watching, 32 likes. We could do better than that, chat. You could do better than that. Come on. If we can get some likes on the stream, the likes will help us get our reach out to more and more people. So if you guys can like the stream, that'd be amazing. We got 82 people in here, 32 likes. Those are rookie numbers. We can get those numbers up. We can get those numbers up. Oh. Oh. Sam's coming in. He's building those muscles today, boy.
Oh, you already know, bro. Raindrop. Drop top.
Oh.
Catch 50 pips on the 10 lot.
Oh.
hey.
Hey, yo. My
Damn.
man. Sam is in the building. Sam is officially here.
You know I had to join on some.
He's officially here. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that 50 pips.
Facts.
Raindrop. Drop top. Catch
Push.
50 pips on a 10 lot.
Push
I
it.
like that, bro. It kind of just rolls off.
Pushing a 10
You gotta
lot.
drop that.
Pushing P, pushing pips.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I gotta drop that. Yo, Jay, let me get a beat.
Hey, yo, Tandy's in the house now, too.
What
Okay.
is up, boys?
Man, dude.
Whole gang's here.
Oh man,
Hey.
That's my little freestyle, bro.
Hey, yo, Tandy. Oh, damn.
Oh, wow.
Raindrop. Drop top. Catch 50 pips on a 10 lot.
My
I
man.
can't overplay it now, bro. I can't overplay it.
My man. Hey, Tandy, tell him to like the stream, bro.
Dog, yo, what are you guys doing? We got free knowledge, bro. Free knowledge, unity. What is there not to like?
Hey, you gotta pay your fee, you know?
All I ask is that you pay in likes.
What
Pay
up,
us in
Scott?
likes.
What up, gamer?
Yes,
Yo,
sir.
Ray Capital, is that your dad? Sam?
That's my uncle.
That's Sam's trading brother.
Oh,
You got Sammy and Ray. Sam and Ray.
Damn it, right.
Don't piss off Odin. Facts. Yeah, don't get Odin mad. You want Odin on your side out here, gang.
Oh, for real, he's a killer, bro.
He's a pip hunter.
Yes, he is, bro.
He's a pip tracker.
Tandy, you need to put him on a treadmill, perma.
Yeah, Tandy, you don't got a treadmill in the crib?
Yeah, so he's always walking.
Nice.
He's almost
Mentorship.
he's almost producing energy. He's like producing volume in the markets as he walks.
That's actually convenience. Just to have a treadmill running, it's pit time all the time.
Like
Exactly. He's just gonna
Nicholas
go
Tesla.
parabolic.
Dang.
Yo,
Never
for real.
making bottom wicks. Just dailies with no bottom wick.
That's
What up,
fun.
George?
Ward's in the building.
Like the stream, George.
Like the stream, George. Hey, chat. I officially got I keep it on my desk now too. Got my #1 dad cup, man. Got my
Nice.
#1 dad cup. I officially have a #1 dad cup. Can you believe that?
That's mind blowing, bro.
dude. Well
That's like-
deserved. Well deserved.
Part of the journey.
Growth, baby.
I mean, you couldn't get it before because Alea couldn't talk. So, do they really think that you're #1 dad? Now you know.
Yes, now we know.
Yeah, now you have roof.
Now we know.
But she got into excess.
Nah. I got excess in the
Nah,
can.
you
The
got-
#1 dad
yeah.
cup, I just got it posted. That's it. It's just posted on the
Yeah,
desk.
fact. That's up.
We got 84 people here. Is Brother Joe in the mix with those 84 people? That's the question. Where is
Right.
Brother
Oh,
Joe?
Joe, where you at?
Joe got that workout in today. I know that.
Joe, you in the chat?
Yeah, get some likes for the #1 dad, dude. You guys don't know. This is #1. There's nobody else. Oh, there he is. What
There
up,
he
Joe?
is.
Joey.
Joe
Wanna
Stu in the
know
building.
Dad?
Stewart Squad.
Stu Squad. Hey, gang, you got to get around people that are going to encourage you to be better, bro. Like, you don't know how happy I am that both my brothers are in the building, you know, rubbing shoulders together, shaking and baking, literally changing generational, I don't even know,
DNA,
just
bro.
DNA, way of life,
Breaking
breaking the curses,
the
man. Just
curse,
changing everything, moving forward, bro. Changing
100%.
everything, and it's
Changed
it's
everything.
special. It's
It is,
special.
bro. Blessing.
Stuart Savage.
Blessing. Blessing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been reading Proverbs, Nick.
Oh,
Hey.
I love that.
Ooh.
Yo, that's when the work starts. Damn.
Yes,
That's
sir.
awesome, bro. Love it.
Book
I
of
read through it
Proverbs.
twice. Nick told me to do it. I read through it twice.
Yes, sir.
Twice. I'm
Amazing,
on
bro.
Proverbs 3.
Yes, sir. Full of knowledge,
Awesome,
wisdom,
bro.
and understanding, bro. That's where you're
Really
gonna get.
smart, bro.
You're gonna see a lot of things in the book of Proverbs that you're like, that's opposite of the world's ways, right? And that's the wisdom, that's the knowledge, that's the understanding, that's the revelation, right? It's not the world's ways, right? The world's ways, God said the world's ways are not my ways, right? So to live a real, true, spiritually abundant life, it's gotta be walking in the way of the righteous, right? And it's a beautiful thing, and it's well worth the walk, my friend. Well worth it.
You gotta sacrifice pleasure.
Yes,
Just
I
like
was literally
Jesus
just reading.
sacrifices, like,
It says,
Yes,
my
sir.
son, do not despise the Lord's discipline, and do not resent his rebuke, because the Lord disciplines those he loves.
Yes.
As a father, the son he delights in.
Yes, exactly.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Amen.
this-
Hey, chat, does Sam look a little different today? Sam looks a little
Dude,
lighter today.
You
Sam,
should see me. Like, it was actually crazy last night. I wish I had that recorded, bro.
I know it
because,
was. I know it was.
There were things you were saying that was literally like, nah, bro.
Bro, God was saying it, not me. I promise you
That's what I was
that.
gonna say. The Lord was putting it through you to me, bro. And it was literally physically moving me. It was crazy, bro.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, bro.
he was touching you in that
And-
unseen spiritual realm,
And
man.
I already knew this, bro. Like, I would rather say this privately, but we could say it publicly. I have discernment, right? And I knew that you were called to be on that call last night. And the only person, what's crazy, the first call, the only person that I actually came to my mind that like God said, like, you know, like it was like I was hoping one person was there and it was you, and you weren't there on that first call, right? But you didn't see me DM you like, yo, bro, get on the next call, blah, 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 you know, none of that, right? You chose to jump on yesterday's call, and you were there for a reason, and we'll talk a little bit more, you know, just me and you, but there's a high calling on your life, bro. Very, very high calling. So
Yeah, I should have been there for the first one. I honestly.
no, it's all good.
No, but I should have though.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Should have held that
shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Should have held that
Shoulda, coulda,
position
woulda.
yesterday, bro.
Shouldn't have went to be.
Oh yeah.
Should have went to be. That's what you don't want to be saying. Damn, I should have went to B when they did. But yeah, man. Proud of you, bro. Big calling. Proud of all you guys. Seriously, love all you guys, man.
Yeah, that was amazing.
I love you guys.
I'm not gonna lie, that.
I mean, I've been having like a lot of growing pains, like with trading in my like self. And dude, I don't know, you really woke me up during that time. Reading Proverbs, constantly preaching to me. Bro, it helped out a lot, dude.
Hey, I love that, man.
Realigned, dude.
Love that. It's what we do. It's what we do. My mentor always told me, just pay it forward. Right? Every time I would say things like that to him, man, so grateful for what you've done, man. Like, oh my God, like this hit me, that hit me. Say, it's what we do. Just pay it forward. So that's what I tell you guys. It's what we do. It's how we live, right? It's a way of life. My mentor told me early on, don't follow men, follow principles. Right? Never follow man. Follow where the principles are, right? Those spiritual, godly principles. True north, right? True north. So, yeah, it's a beautiful thing.
Bro. Good.
Yeah. Last night was incredible. Hey,
It
Nick,
was.
I used to work with a gym steward. Any relation or know of? Yeah, that's my dad. He used
Yeah,
to live in
but
South
not-
Jersey. All right, never mind. That's not my dad. What did I miss yesterday? Oh, every Monday night, gang, we do a Bible study. So if it's something you're interested in, let us know and come into our Discord right here. We got a free Discord, by the way, for those of you that don't know. And just come up to the war room, man. This is where we go to this is where it goes down. So come into the war room and yeah, experience
Deeper than
victory. Experience victory for yourself. But yeah, every Monday night we go live on Zoom, 7:45. I put the Zoom link there, so anyone is welcome to tap in. Come as you are. Don't think you have to be perfect and do all this stupid nonsense. Just come as you are, man.
Because I had absolutely zero knowledge really going into this, and you'll be like me, bro. I was really like just shocked, and I'm on here talking in that a lot. And last night I was just soaking it all in, and
yeah.
whew.
You know, a lot of us
touched by the Holy Spirit.
Well, as we're on the topic, right? A lot of us are we start to develop a stony heart, right? Through the weariness of life, or through upsets, or maybe through like bad examples of religion, or church politics and stuff like that. But that's really not what any of the power of this living word is about, right? The revelation here is there's a relationship for you. There's a price that's been paid so that you can have everlasting life, right? So that you can actually cast your fears, your doubts, your anxieties, all that stuff onto something else as you live in this harsh world to live in, right? The flesh is weak, but the spirit is willing. So we talk about some stuff like that every single Monday night. So you guys are more than welcome to join. And like I said, come as you are, right? Bring your stony heart, right? Because it's all about relationship. It's not about. I think most people they run into religion before they run into a relationship with Christ. So it kind of steers them the wrong way.
Mm-hmm.
Also had two brothers. Oh, attaboy. Hey, Sam does look different. You got me choked up last night, Nick. Hey, man. Amen. Praise God. Sam, eat chicken last night? Sam.
Yo, who said that? Someone said I eat chicken last night?
Alexander Winkler is in the building. Hey, appreciate you guys, man. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give us a like here on the stream. Do us a favor. And if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel as well. Oh, blessings, family. Blessings to you, my friend.
Dude got me on the chicken eating allegations.
Nah, man. We be punting chickens. Punting chickens.
Yeah, we punt chickens, bro. We can. we make them. They make our eggs, and that's it. Dude, look at these things, bro. I absolutely massacred some of these, bro. I'm so mad. Can you even see some?
I can see them. Over easy, sunny side up.
Yeah, we don't eat scrambled, Tandy.
Scrambled.
Don't eat scrambled?
Oh, we already had this conversation.
Yay, the mentorship program. I've learned so much, and it's just the beginning. Oh yeah, shout out to Lenny. He's in the Time to Eat Elite program, and I'm glad you are learning a lot, man. Welcome to the gang. You're more than welcome to jump on Zoom anytime you want, my friend. But yeah, it's good. It was good sitting down yesterday, Lenny, and going through a lot of good stuff, man. A lot of good stuff. Nick, can you look at USD CAD, please? Yes, we can look at that. Don't want to miss next week. Yeah. Oh yeah. So we began a study in the Gospel of John, right? So last night we covered the first 18 verses, verse by verse, and we'll continue on in the book, and then we'll move into the book of Acts, and over the next several weeks and months.
Someone's singing in the chat.
So you guys can tune in with us on Zoom every Monday night. We actually may have to do this twice a week, but I'll keep you guys posted on that, because if we want to make our way through these books in a fairly decent amount like time, then we might have to go twice a week, but I'll let you guys know about that. Sam had a little bit of light. Yes, sir. A lot of bit of light. That's all he needed.
I thought I said a lot of.
Hey, good morning, Laron. Good morning, brother. Do you guys talk about the gospel, the kingdom? Absolutely. That's what we're called to do. This is how we do. We make money and act a fool while we're up in the room. This is how we do. I love that.
Sounds weird. You just say it like that.
Yeah. This is how we do. I like that. You got me on that
You
one.
think of money and act I feel like we're up in the room.
Yeah, classic.
Yeah. I won't sing. You already did.
Oh,
God is
what's
the
going on
greatest.
here?
Oh.
God is the greatest. Amen. Hey, a lot of people, you guys are looking out, man, look at, you have beautiful sky, beautiful trees, you got birds, you got, you know, all these amazing things. A lot of us focus too much on the creation and forget about the creator, right? So you always got to remember about the creator, my friends.
100%.
The one who gave you eyes to see, ears to hear. Got to be grateful. All right, USD CAD. USD. Oh, look, those buys played out yesterday. Wow, that was a slow and daunting trade to be in. Sheesh. All right, cool. So yeah, let's take a look at USD CAD. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. So daily time frame closed pretty weak bearish, right? We could say that the previous daily candle closed very strong, no top wick and also no bottom wick. And what do we know about candles with no bottom wick, bearish candles? There's no range for the next candle to continue driving in. So that's why you see this exhaustion wick right here. Rejection from the downside. If you notice over here, rejection as well, right? So rejections from the downside. Price has officially broken the high here, and we can potentially continue up here on USD CAD today. So that's the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, what's going on. It looks like you have a pretty strong resistance right here, right? Pretty strong resistance right here that you got to make your way above. So I think if you can get a closure above there, that'd be pretty nice. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, there's a very strong support resistance, I mean, right here. So if you can wait for a closure above there, we've already broken the daily highs. I think that wouldn't be a bad idea to go long from there. So you got clean traffic to the left hand side. If we're looking left, where are we going to run into some sort of rejections? Well, probably right around this area right here. So I would probably, if I was entering buys, probably look to secure profits right around this 134,127 area. But best bet is to just wait right now, wait for a 30-minute or wait for this 1 hour candle to close here in 3 minutes, and yeah, see if you can get a nice wick fill and continue up. But yeah, that's what I would look for on USD CAD. And then sells would be somewhere below these supports. Cool. So yeah, USD CAD. Clean range coming down, clean range moving up. You just got to break out of this range right here. This is good. This range is going to just chop around, and you don't want to be a part of anything in here. So wait for those closures above or below. Up here is all good money. Below here is all good money as well. So that is USD CAD. Looks like you're going to get a closure. Do you get a top wick? That is the question. Let's go back to gold because we got a 1 hour candle closing, and what do you know? We rejected this area. What do you know? So 4 hours still open. It's coming into this rejection area right here. See these wicks? We could wick up, wick here, and then start to pull back. 1 hour time frame closed very, very weak bullish, and 30-minute has closed bearish as well. So may look to take sells here. Remember we talked about, let's see where we get that resistance. May look to take sells. Definitely not right off the rip of this candle. I want to see a pretty steep top wick, and really wouldn't even mind like a 30-minute celery play at 8:30 here today. So we got no news in the way. Little bit of FOMC like speak, but nothing too crazy at all. So yeah, so let's wait for this candle to close and see what we got. Hi Nick, would you have a second to look at Euro USD? Yes, just give me a few minutes and we'll look at that. Just want to see how this candle closes, and I'm gonna grab some water real quick and I'll be right back.
Yo, can we laugh at my IRL buddy right now? Dude messages me and goes, I think I might go long on US 30 for a sell. How's he gonna go long and sell at the same
Right.
time?
So it don't make any sense.
He's red, bro.
That's funny.
Bro's about to go long into a sell.
And yeah.
It's a long draw now.
He's just hedging, bro. He's just a little hedge.
What'd you say?
You're just hedging, you know, when you buy.
Oh yeah. No, I just didn't hear what you said.
How can you lose? If you
I know.
hedge, you never lose.
Dude, knowing the way this homie is too, that's how he'll trade, bro.
It's not a bad top wick. "30-minute celery play would be lovely. Not sure if it'll wait for that, but that would be amazing." Focus too much on the creation. Yep. Breath of life. Yeah. Yo, you guys, someone just sent me a list with some Telegram groups. What's up with these kind of groups? Did some back tests. Oh, I'm not too sure. No idea. No idea.
Bro, I mean, you just be clicking random links?
Yeah, bro. I don't know about that, dude.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Scammers galore nowadays, dude. I wouldn't trust Telegram. I don't
Dude,
know.
it's crazy how hard people be out here scamming, bro. I always said that scammers work harder than the devil.
No.
Like, could you imagine sitting there all day trying to finesse people to get like $20?
Yeah.
All you
That's
gotta do is
crazy,
put the
bro.
numbers in your favor. Just message
Hell no, I'll be working at BP.
6,000 people and just say, "Hi, how are you? How's trading?" Yeah, guys, don't fall for the fake pages, man.
The fact
The
that
big
you
one.
just said that too, and I'm thinking like, imagine, wait till the scammers get a hold of the AIs. Oh my.
No facts.
Oh my god, they
I don't
probably
even
already
give no
have.
ideas, bro. I better let me retract that statement.
Yeah, right. Pretend that didn't happen.
I'm out here giving sauce to them.
That's funny. So yeah, we have the NY Open here. I want to see a 30-minute celery play because we're still bullish here on the 1 hour. So I'd rather wait for this 30 to close and see if it can close somewhat like it looks right now, and we could potentially get a celery play going down. Or you never know, this candle may close bullish, right? Because the 1 hour time frame is still pretty bullish here, right? So this 1 hour candle can close potentially, you know, looking something like this, and we could take buys going up. So I think I'd rather wait out at least a 15 or a 30-minute candle here and see what we can get, you know, based off of that, instead of just jumping right at this one. Oh, ready for takeoff. Wow. We're expecting previous 15 highs. Yep. Yeah, it's true.
What's up, Mr. Daza?
What up, guys?
Jay Daza.
What's up, Jay?
Jay, I need a beat.
¿Qué pasa, Jay Zaza? Where's the
¿Qué
Zaza?
pasa?
Hit him with the beat, Jay.
Yeah, I need a beat.
Hit him with the.
I need a
Hit
beat,
him.
bro.
Where's
I'm gonna hit you with I'm still drinking my coffee and waking up.
You said that you're a DJ, bro. Come
Dude, the
on.
second I join in here, I start freestyling this morning.
Facts.
Ooh.
He did.
That's actually fire.
Hit him with it again, bro.
What was it again?
Hit him with it
Let me
again.
hear it again.
All
Let
right.
me hear it. Let me hear it.
Raindrop. Drop top. Catch 56 with a 10 lot.
Oh,
Trying to watch DJ drop.
Oh my god.
Too much fire.
too much fire.
Anything in cold as
Too much
eggs,
sauce.
bro? I know those eggs are cold, bro.
They are now.
They are now.
Yeah,
Dude, that's
making
rough.
a mess. Making a mess.
Yeah, man. 15-minute or 30-minute
I'll lick them
celery.
off clean. Gotta get my nutrients in, bro.
Gotta get them nutrients.
I'll stare in the camera while I eat if you want. Nah,
Come on.
Just give a dead
Come on,
stare into
daddy.
the camera.
I'll stare at Tammy.
Bro, can you check Euro USD? Yeah, you know what? Why not?
Dang.
Why not?
Ihab is he's stressing right now in a position.
We're Euro USD. Euro USD.
I have. Did you get your USD CAD buys yesterday, homie?
Oh yeah, you must be in profit on them buys, right?
No, oopsie.
Very daunting trade though, I'll tell you that. A lot of very small candles. Okay, Euro USD going for the buys. My man. So, going for the buys. Going for the buys.
In the end, he didn't take it. You stretched yourself out so
No.
much yesterday, homie.
No way. Made bank on UJ. Nice. All right, so daily time frame is pretty bearish, right? We've come down pretty heavily here. We're coming down into this rejection zone. We don't know if price wants to continue down, close below these levels here today, or what the case is. We have very, very little top wick on this candle, so who knows, right? We gotta take a look at the lower time frame. We are pretty bearish though. You do have a 4-hour support right here that you are starting to approach. So before taking any sells, probably either wait for a close below here, or wait for some sort of support, and then you could probably catch the retracement since you're looking for buys, right? If we do get a closure below, pretty clean traffic down to the left-hand side. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, you have a support here as well. Oh, support, a lot of supports. Lot of supports down here. So yeah, I would, if you're looking for buys, I mean, just wait for bullish price action, right? You come down here. Last time you came down here, you made a support, pushed up, right? So maybe that's what you can do here today, anticipating buys, going against the daily trend and all that. Yeah, wait. I mean, you got clean traffic now for sells, so I don't see anything stopping price. I wouldn't buy just yet. I would wait for price to come on down into these levels here, start to show some bullish candles here for you, right? So yeah. But other than that, sells look pretty clean. We're breaking the 30-minute low right now, pushing down, coming down into this support. I don't see anything holding price up at this point. Should come right on down. All right, so that's USD CAD. All right, look, so nothing happened here yet on gold. So we may be able to wait for this 30-minute celery play, potentially, right? This 30-minute closure is gonna tell us a lot. We got no news in the way as well here, so let's wait for this candle to close and we'll have a good direction, I believe. Because if we do close weak bullish back in the range, we have a celery play set up here, and we can most likely just take entries on the break of these lows right here and look to come on down. And like I said before, you know, we may break those daily highs and then continue pushing down here, right? Being that this candle did close pretty much right at it, or we could argue that it closed, yeah, I think it closed like right, maybe a little bit above, I would say. So yeah, but we're still open for those buys as well here. So we just gotta wait for this candle to close. 30-minute closes above, we take buys. 30-minute closes below, we look for sells. Simple. Patience. This is gonna be the greatest trade you ever taken in your life. Your next trade is gonna be the best trade you've ever taken. Respect for price action, just like respect for all traders in the community, thriving for the same goal. Yes, sir. Some struggling, some consistent. It's okay if you're being consistent, right? If you're struggling and you're like taking days off and taking weeks off and then coming back trying to put it all together, man, it don't work like that. When you're cold, you got to come near the fire, right? This is the fire. This is the atmosphere. This is the community, right? If you're having trouble, you don't want to move away from us. You want to get closer to us, right? So you can learn, so you can ask questions in the chat, ask questions in the Discord, right? When you're cold, you don't want to walk away from the fire. You want to stay near that fire. You want to stay near that fire. Patience. Yep. Look left on the 30. We have a nice support if we close bullish. Yep. Yes, sir. I want to see if we can wait for this celery play here. We'll see how the 15 closes as well. We never broke the 15 high here. Patience. Yep. Why are we going for sells if it makes a 30 or 15 minute celery when it isn't a range 2 yet? Well, if we look at the daily, right, like I was just saying, like we talked about this in the breakdown, how highs, there could be a chance that we come down and re-break the lows for a daily celery play. I know we broke the highs already, so that kind of throws it off a little bit. But if we do reject here, right, and continue to reject from here, a lot of times you're going to see that daily candle pull back, right? You're going to see it already did its job with filling the wick. So if it starts pulling back, right, running into this level here, see this rejection, see these rejections. So if we start creating some sort of resistance right here, and it's the NY open, and we have a 30-minute close bearish, and then the next one closed bullish, then there is a high chance that if we break that low, we're going to continue down to fill this range at least, right? Because that daily candle is going to start pulling back. That's what we've seen based off of experience. So if, right, big if we break this low, then that's when we will enter a trade, right? Because if we're breaking that low during volume, very high chance we're going to continue down, very high chance the 4 hour is going to pull back. So that's why we would, or that's why I would, you know, look to take those sells. Oh, German. Alexander Winkler's like a banker, right?
I was thinking about German chocolate ice, like 2 something.
It's that German ice cream. It was good.
You're a very fanatic, bro.
Ooh.
That was last night. I was thinking about it.
Thank you for the explanation. Gotcha.
Someone said, "Yes, bro. Like something might be wrong. Me and the cows, bro. We just get along. We get along. They give me milk, yogurt. They don't give me eggs. They don't give me bread. They give me milk and they give me yogurt, and they give me beef."
There's no way that man is lactose intolerant, bro. This man's built for dairy.
Yeah, somebody asked me if I was because I drank the Fairlife. I go, nah. Dude, my stomach starts rumbling too, though, bro. And then whenever I get you add like the whey protein on top of it. Whew. I'll be on the toilet fighting, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'll keep this chat.
I think.
I'll be getting TMI, bro.
Thank you for the explanation. Nico? My pleasure. Yeah, I mean the main.
What up, Nico?
The main. Oh, Nico's here. Yeah, Nico, what's up, brother? My man is living a trader's dream lifestyle right now. I'm jealous of him. Traveling around the world, riding motorcycles around freaking Italy for 2-3 weeks straight. Like, damn, my boy. Where's he at? Look at this guy. Look at that smile on his face, man.
He knows.
Man's just traveling around the world on motorcycles.
That's
Yeah,
it.
the trip was great, man.
Good, good. I'm glad you had fun, bro. Looked like a good time.
Glad to be back. Feliz de volver.
Hey, man. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. We got another guy in DR here, Pablo. He's in
Oh, cool.
where is he at again? Santiago, I think. I forget. He's where
Oh,
you at,
I think
Pablo? He said he's on the greatest place on the face of the earth.
Yeah, DR.
No, I know it's DR. I just don't know where in DR.
Yeah, Santiago's far if he's in Santiago, but
I forgot where he said he was.
I'm down to meet up like with traders here, bro.
Oh, do a DR meetup? I might have to come too.
Yeah.
I might have to
Little
swing
coffees.
through. Oh, are we gonna get this thing to wait? How'd the 15 close
Yo,
here?
what the hell happened over there on the left? I've been gone for like a week. That's a crazy drop. That
Is that NFP?
Where at?
before.
Oh, right
Look at
here?
that. What the fuck? Yeah.
Yeah, that was
What the fuck
that
is
was
that?
NFP.
End of the world shit, bro. Did you guys catch that?
No, we didn't. This was NFP. This was the push.
Oh,
So
okay.
we didn't take
That
that.
could be life changing, bro.
Yo, no, but you know what? I think there was a position right before that we almost got in. So we almost got in this position right here, and bro, news would have just opened up and we would have had stops at break even, and that would have pushed us down. But we never took this entry here.
Okay.
Remember, it came up, it created a top wick for the previous candle. We would have been in this trade here, and this thing would have just dropped. But you can't risk it because just as you see this big move up down, it could have went up. And bro,
exactly.
your stop loss will get annihilated at that point. Like, it will not be at break even. Trust me.
Nothing more important than the plan, bro.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right. So it looks like this 15-minute time frame is looking pretty clean here for the celery. Kind of wanted to wait for this 30-minute candle to close. It might leave without us here.
Damn, bro. Yo, this is crazy. I'm just now opening this gift someone gave me 5 months ago.
Oh,
Crazy,
regifted.
bro.
Regifted.
What'd you
it
say?
know?
It's from my ex at the time. That's crazy, but like, yo, look at this. Give me bath bombs? Like, bro, why would I ever use those?
All right.
I think she switched it up, bro, and gave it to the wrong person.
Who entered those cells with and didn't wait for the 30? I'm just curious because this thing may drive. So tell us now. Tell us now. Who's in the cells?
Rock Invest Pro, you've come to the right place. Valencia, Spain.
I was very close. Oh, Scott was very close to getting in the cells. Oh, okay, Scott. Yes, I'll be waiting for a 30-minute celery here. We re-break these lows, should be gone. May do that before the 30 closes. That I don't know. Oh yeah. In. Alexander's in. Nice.
He said Sam's bones are probably strong as hell from all the calcium. That's why he's breaking screens.
That's hilarious.
That's why my wrists don't break when I punch them. Someone else's does. Boy, I need some milk. Let's see.
Yeah, this thing
Oh,
might
gonna
drive
bleed.
here.
Might bleed.
Yeah, man. Not a bad move here. 15-minute celery play should continue down. Should see a push. Should see a push. You got
820 coming up.
Yeah, you got 820 coming in here. Should get your push down now.
So,
Got about 8 pips there.
here's the push.
Should see a push on this new 5-minute.
Yep.
Might go up, might go down. Either way, we'll wait for the next 30 here. But yeah, you should see a push now.
Boom.
There it
Boom.
goes.
Boom.
Breaking lows.
Boom.
There it is.
Yeah, that was nice.
Nice 10 pips.
I probably would take some partials right there.
Yeah, because you tap into that 15-minute support here. So.
Mm-hmm.
Do, 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 do.
Jam.
Nice little push.
Little bleed.
Little bleed. Little bleed. Little bleed. Hey, Uncle Scout brought up a good point. We gotta make shirts that say like
Oh my
it has
goodness.
it has the
I'm gonna get on
logo,
that.
but it also has like we have ones that say like bleeder and juicer.
Bleed and juice.
Yeah.
Yes. Yo, who said that?
Uncle Scout.
Scout.
Uncle Scout.
Smart man.
I should have knew it would have been Unk.
Unc dropping that wisdom.
That's
See,
what I'm gonna call him, Unk.
there's your 4-hour pullback now. Yeah, I like this.
Yo, oh my god, bruh. The rest of the stream is gonna be me creating this. I'm gonna figure them out. Oh my god.
I see probable small support. Yeah, there was a small support there on the 15-minute. But that was a nice move. That was pretty nice.
Yeah.
That was predictable, you know. I would have rather wait for a 30. I think we get a stronger push on the next 30-minute candle, but I may be wrong here. Right? You may get the push now, so.
GJ looks like a potential 30-minute salary.
Not bad. Close below support. Clean traffic to the left. Yeah, GJ's bearish right on the day. Oh, we broke
Yeah.
the lows, so we're not.
Well, we are technically bearish, breaking the lows.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll take GJ. Maybe we also might get gold again too here.
Yeah.
Upload.
Yeah, not bad at all. Moving a little bit slow. I think there should be more volume coming in here at 8:30. It's only about 13 pips right there.
Goes.
I need more confidence in myself taking these setups on gold. Yeah, I mean, you were also probably waiting for a 30-minute celery, right? So that's the only reason I didn't take it. It's like 8 a.m. 15 was clean though. 15 had a nice celery play. Expecting all the highs pretty nicely there.
Where can I get the logo, Nick?
Get the what? Oh, the
The
logo?
logo. Yeah, like an HD one. I tried to snag from the. Oh wait, I might be able to get it from. Ooh, I'm so smart. I'm just gonna go to a previous stream and rewind it the whole way to the end.
Hey, bro.
I mean,
Hey,
you could
send
always
me.
get it.
Go ahead, Tandy.
You could always get it from the person that made it, dog.
Yeah,
Well, he's busy. I
Tandy
don't
got
know
it.
if he's able to like pull it up.
Tandy will.
Poochie's busy.
Tandy will send
What?
it over to you.
I'm just chilling, bro. That was me.
Oh, you
want-
made it.
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, that's
Tandy is the creator of the
Want it?
logo.
I didn't hear the you made it part.
Hey,
Hey,
Tandy.
My dumbass is thinking that.
Tandy, I think they'll be shocked. Tell them how long ago you made this logo.
What is that, like 3-4 years ago now?
So you guys don't even know how long, like, you guys think I just put this thing together, right? Threw it together, started a stream. Like, this has been 2 years plus of planning, prepping, praying, like getting good at the craft. You know what I mean? Like, this thing just didn't, things take time, right? Greatness takes time to come together. So yeah, but you can get it from Tandy.
Yeah, I got you, brother. Yeah, but yeah, a lot of brainstorming on the whole idea, a lot of creating and nurturing the idea, and you had a vision, and we fucking did it, dog.
We did it, bro. We did it.
I just sent my vision over to you, Tandy.
Ooh.
I don't want to say it out loud to the stream.
Hey Sam, you know what I was thinking? You should send me that video of our trade that we took, and we'll post it as a reel.
Alright, yeah, cool. I'll do that.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Bam.
You might be able to download it from the Discord, but I can just send it to you as well.
For some reason, it wouldn't let me download it. I don't know why.
I'll send it on Instagram right now.
And send me whatever you send Tandy so I can see too.
Okay, yeah.
I'm like, ooh, I want to see that too.
I just, my idea for one of the shirts.
Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, we're gonna have some merch.
You can tell of it too. I just don't know if you,
Some merch. 27.
Where did I put this video?
It's a juicer. Tandy the mastermind. Hey, y'all smoking and trading? Yeah, invisible. It's invisible. We're puffing on invisible joints. Let's see how the 5-minute forms. We need dolphin milk shirts. Yes, the dolphin milk shirts are coming soon.
I promise.
Like-
Once I get a little bit more regularity out of my schedule, bro, the designs are gonna be nonstop. We're gonna have the coolest shirts. I swear. Me and Sam, we're gonna
Boom.
deliver.
We're
Deliver.
gonna be cooking. Wait till me and Tandy get in the lab together, bro.
They're gonna deliver. You're gonna see juicers, bleeders, celeries, dolphin milk,
Onions.
TTE.
Life is bullish.
Life is bullish. Yeah, we
We're
can't.
gonna be like, yeah.
We're gonna have our own little like
It's gonna be sick.
trademark too. So it's like, unless you got that trademark, then it ain't official, you know? There might be some bootleggers out there.
Oh, you want me to TM everything? Hit TM on all that shit?
All right, let's lock it in here because I'm gonna probably have some sell stops on this next 30-minute candle. We should see a lot more volume come in with this next 30-minute candle here coming up. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see here. I'm going to potentially have sell stops here. The entry, I'm not too sure yet. We might get in on the these lows actually are probably not the best idea. Let's see where this candle closes and how the new one opens, but potential sell stops here.
Alright, I sent you that video too on Instagram.
Okay,
Let me know
cool.
what the quality is like when you get it.
Sweet.
Because otherwise I can upload it to Google Drive and then it should be just perfect quality.
From your
Yeah.
rap this morning?
No.
No. From did you see the trade that I posted on my story of us all in the other day? I think it was on Friday I posted it. Yeah, it's just for Nick's birthday.
Yeah. That was.
It's in the Discord too if you want to watch it. I don't remember what channel.
Ooh. I'm gonna post it as a reel. You have any more of our trades recorded like that?
No, but I was gonna say I will do that if for the rest of them if we
Oh,
want.
bet.
It really doesn't take that long to make those.
Yeah.
And that time I did a little bit of
Little
did
edit
a little
here.
extra, but I made so many like the way that like at least I know that like mine aren't nothing crazy where I got like the text and that like text to speech on it.
Yeah.
They do the job.
Word.
And And at least it's content.
Content? Are you guys creating content? You're on TikTok? TikTok?
What else was I gonna do?
Yeah, no sell.
Oh yeah, I need Tandy to send me the logo, bro.
The logo. Oh yeah. Tandy.
Oh yeah, I sent you that. What I want to do for the first shirt. Let me
Yeah.
find this thing.
Dude, that video, bro.
Oh wait, did you watch it? that was a classic. I probably won't forget that one.
Yo, you can. It sounds like you're on a roller coaster, dude. You're just like,
I'm like, oh.
We're
Yeah,
breaking these lows with no
crazy.
top wick. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a sell here. We got some resistance right here as well, so especially with no top wick.
Maybe we could see a support form or something.
Yeah.
I want to continue up.
Yep. Yep.
Chat, what kind of juice do we like?
juicy juice.
Juicy juice, orange juice, grape juice, apple juice.
Cranberry juice.
Ooh, maybe it's gold juice.
Gold juice.
Gold juice? Let's see. Can we post it? Oh yeah, we can.
I'm charging my iPad, and then I'll send you the logo.
The logo.
Sam wrote the TTE first line. Pineapple juice. Ooh, pineapple juice is good.
Ooh, I was eating some pineapples
Apple
yesterday.
juice.
I like apple juice, so I think apple juice is like the OG juice.
The OG.
Hey, can we get 100 likes? We got 114 people here. We got 75 likes. Can we get 100 likes? That's the question. Can we get it? Can we get it? If you guys,
all press it at once,
Yeah.
it's gonna break the YouTube algorithm. I'll give a countdown if you need me to.
That's what I was thinking. If everyone just liked it at one time, who hasn't liked it yet, I think we can get to 100.
It's literally gonna be like there's so many likes. Like this is what's gonna happen is YouTube algorithm's gonna think that there's so many likes coming in at once. It's just gonna start shoving the stream to everyone's face. So you like
We'll
what we're
have
doing
more
here,
friends.
and yeah, exactly. And you want more of a community. We need your
Yeah,
help.
that wasn't a bad move there, man. Sometimes you can't wait for 8:30. Would we have runners? I think our runner would have got tapped.
It's almost like golden apple juice. Oh. Yo, like the gold apples on Minecraft. Yo.
Yeah,
Probably knows anything about that.
yeah, I think our runner would have got tapped anyway on this. I think this 30-minute candle is some BS. Can we sell now? Sure. It opened 2 minutes ago. Yep, I know. Oh, we forgot to look at GJ here. Oh, look at that. Nothing. Yeah, no top wick. Waiting for support to be formed at this level of resistance to catch buys going back up. Yep, not a bad idea. We've already broken that daily high, so we also do have a new 4-hour candle that's coming. So we're pulling back for that. I'm sure we're gonna pull back as well to make a bottom wick for the next 4 hours. So those are your quick sells here. But if we can create a support somewhere in this area, then yeah, by all means, we'll be looking to take this thing back up. We will be looking for it. 87 likes. Look at that. We're almost there. What do we need? 13 more? Let's get 13. Hey, if you haven't subbed to the channel as well, subscribe to the channel. Tune in with us every day, Monday through Friday. We're here trading gold and pound yen, and doing a hell of a job at trading it. Looking pretty good so far on stream. I'll probably get an overlay going or something this weekend so we could put the record down there and all that good stuff. And yeah, but we're doing pretty well on stream here. Doing pretty well. May's off to a decent start as well. April was really good. March was really good. February was good, but February was a little bit slow. Not many trades here in February, but started picking up here in March, which was nice. But yeah, tune in every day. If you got any questions, ask them in the chat. We're here to help. We are here to help. Sir, can you please review my trade? Yes. If you put your so we also have this Discord here as well. If you put your trade, hold on, in the where is it? Charts for stream. So there's a charts for stream section right here. And if you put your trade, just put some detail in it. So that way we could really review it, right? You see like the detail in this trade right here. You don't have to put as many, all this, but just label it up a little bit so we could talk about it. I'm not sure what this is. Link to the Discord is in the description. And there it is in the chat as well. Thank you, Scott. Appreciate you, Scott. Appreciate you, bro. My man.
Everyone's
All right, so look at that. 30-minute pulling back up, right? No top wick. Here we go. This could be our rejection to the downside and continue pushing up. Yeah, looks good. 15-minute rejection as well. That's why we never enter trades with no top wick. Enter sells with a candle that has no top wick. So 1 hour candle is going to close up here as well. 4 hour candle is getting ready to close up here as well. As long as we close above this resistance, then we are clean, right? If we get rid of everything, we have your nearest resistance is right here. And as long as we close above this level, there's a very high chance we're going to fill the wick and continue up into these ranges here today. All right, these ranges up here. So yeah, looking good. Looking good. GJ moving up. Yes, sir. We're gonna wait for our buys above 170.532 here. So if we can get above there on pound yen, then yeah, it looks clean. 4 hour never broke the low, already broke the high. So yeah, this 4 hour candle's got to close above that resistance as well. So if we get the 4 hour close above, the 1 hour close above, 30-minute has another resistance right here. But if we are closing above, then yeah, very high chance we'll continue up and retest this resistance up here. GJ for buys, we definitely have to wait though. Gotta get past this traffic right here. Nasty. Nasty. Yeah, could have pulled the trigger on this 30-minute sell here. Probably should have. It's about 19 pips. Yeah, could have. Basically could have took it as a 15-minute salary or a 30-minute break of the previous low, but it's all good. 227 looking like a solid support. Yeah, right here. Yep. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm excited to see those shirts. That's gonna look fire. We make shirts, hats, all that.
Dude, when Tandy sends me the thing, I can make it. I'm still waiting.
Tandy has left the office.
I'm actually coming up with something crazy right now, bro.
Great.
Wait till you see this one. Put this on a shirt, bro.
Oh, I want a hoodie. Oh man, they're in demand already. But that sell was against the main trend. Yeah, you're right. That's a little bit why I hesitated there.
Bro, you want a hoodie? We're gonna make boxers. Juicer and bleeder on them.
Bro, wait till you see this that I got cooking, bro.
We're gonna have our little trademark, and yeah, we're gonna have pre-orders. Yep, for sure. We'll get a pre-order going, and I know I'm getting one. I know I'm getting one. We'll make tees, t-shirts, hats, hoodies, and potentially shorts and sweatpants. And then maybe we'll make some mouse pads. Yeah, they're gonna be limited too. So there's only gonna be X amount of blues, X amount of blacks, X amount of reds. So it's like you gotta kind of grab it, you know, while it's there. Once it's gone forever. Never release it again. Like, yeah, like Yeezy. That's true, that's true. Alright, gold is continuing down here on this 30-minute time frame. Looks like we came up, we created a top wick and rebroke the lows here. 4 hours pumping down. At this point, you want to see if the 4 hour is going to close above this resistance or not. If we don't close above this resistance, there's a very high chance that that little feeling, intuition that I had earlier can play itself out. So we'll see. We will see, but we are dripping right now. Later. Worldwide shipping? Yes, sir. Shipping worldwide. We'll figure it out.
Nah, like these actually could be some crazy shirts, guys. You might.
Look at Tandy and Sam. They're cooking over there. They're cooking.
I'm in the lab.
You get an idea, you gotta act on it ASAP.
I got an idea right here. I'm gonna send it to you, Nick. Don't show it yet. It's not done.
I won't. Joggers,
But,
shirts, and a beanie. Yeah, facts.
I'll send it to you too, Tandy.
Yeah, everything that goes to me goes to Tandy.
Yeah, run it by me too.
Run it by Tandy.
Come on.
It's not done at all. There, we gotta put on some of the stuff that I put in that message beforehand. Yo, but isn't that awesome? The one I just sent you.
That's sick.
Dude,
That's fire.
there you go, bro.
Sheesh.
That's sick.
Oh, damn.
Yo, have you ever seen the ones? We'll spill a little, but like with the shirts that have like the nutrition labels, but it's not like. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like the
Yeah.
chemical. Like the chemical.
Yeah,
thing?
yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Yup. That looks sick. Prestige World. Hey, good morning, KenFX. What's up, brother? Good morning, good morning. Appreciate you guys coming by. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now. And if you haven't liked the stream, go ahead and give the stream a like. We got 93 likes. 100 would look much better today. 100 would look much better. So whoever hasn't liked the stream, if you could just like it, it takes one click. Look down, there's a little thumbs up, boom, click it right there, and appreciate your like. We appreciate your like. Okay, cool. So 15-minute candle closed below the range here, man. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Gonna wait for the 4 hour here at this point. Last 15 of the 4 hour, we may even pull back even more. So let's see what happens here. Oh, damn. There we go. Yeah, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. Like it up.
Now, Sam, send me your email through the Discord.
The boys are working. Hey, where'd Nico go? Nico! The boys are working.
That should be double check. Yes, sir. What did this just say? Like, you know how when you open up Google? Oh, Fentanyl Awareness Day.
Oh, man. All right,
Is that
GJ.
today?
GJ. If pound yen closes below, then this is a pretty high probability setup here for sells. If we get a closure below here on the 4 hour, below this support, remember what we were talking about this candle, although it was all the way down there, it never closed below, right? So if you do officially get a closure below here, next candle after making a top wick should be able to make its way down here to fill these wicks. That would also re-break daily lows as well. You have clean traffic coming down into these ranges here. So we'll see if we can get a candle to close below here on GJ. We've already broken the daily lows. I think we're good to continue down now. Daily lows have been broken. Weekly, we are very bearish, right? Monthly, we are bearish as well. We're rejecting pretty heavily, so not a bad idea here for sells, as we've already broken this daily low. I think we're just maybe waiting for some more volume to come in. I think if we can get that closure, we should be good. 1 hour is going to close bullish. You know what I would do when join the stream? Just like it, yeah. Just like it. You know what you do when you join the stream? Just like it. You know what I would tell you to do when you join the stream? Just like it. Would you just like it? Would you just like it? All right, let's see how this 4 hour candle is going to close. Just like it. Yeah, we talked about gold here in the breakdown this morning about this daily time frame. It all rides on this 4 hour close at this point, right? Because this 4 hour, if it closes above this resistance, it's finally breaking out of the range, right? Because right now the 4 hour time frame is sitting in this range, right? This is your 4 hour range, and it's really not gonna make a move until it gets a breakout. So this is the range we're in right now. If we can get a closure above, then there is a very high chance we'll continue up. So let's see what happens with this 4 hour here, and see if we actually close above. If we don't, then I think the sells could actually play themselves out on the lower time frames. Right? Because if it doesn't, and you get a closure below here, based off the 1 hour time frame, this thing could continue down, right? To fill in this range here. This is going to be our next range here. So that's about what, 40 pips? So 40 pips to about 72 pips here. So, but we'll see. We will see. Would you look at that? Euro USD, what's your take on it? Let's take a look. I think we already talked about that, right? Yeah, Euro USD. So right now you've officially broken below all these ranges here, there is nothing stopping price. There's clean traffic all the way down to this one, what is that, 109,430. So yeah, super clean traffic here coming down. So my take is we're very bearish. Very bearish. We're slowing up on the volume, but we did grab liquidity with this candle. So this is where you may see more of a push. 1 hour time frames looking clean. Should come down to retest this support. 4 hour as well is driving here. So yeah, 1 hour is very clean. Nothing holding price back here. You may run into some resistance right there. Yeah, I would be aware if you guys are in sells, maybe lock in some profits right around this white line here. Because you could reject here, right? You see rejections, you see rejections, you see a lot of rejection in this zone here. So yeah, I would lock in profits right about now as you start approaching this support level here. What do I think about US 30? Let's take a look. US 30 is looking clean. Remember I said just wait for the 4 hour, right? Wait for 9 a.m. That's when you're going to get your pushes. So it looks like you're closing bullish, creating a support. So at this point, the next 4 hour candle should be able to continue up, right? You have a support now. Should be able to continue up on the next 4 hour candle here. So that's what I would wait for. It looks like you're going to get the closure on the 1 hour. So closing above that 1 hour resistance, looking clean. Nasty rejection on the 30 minute though. I believe we're rejecting this level right here. Right. Yeah, pretty much right here. So there's another area here. If you close above there, you're good to continue up. But this 4 hours should be good. You just don't know where your bottom wick's gonna be, right? So you gotta wait for a bottom wick. It can go as low as all the way down here and still come up flip bullish here on the 4 hours. So yeah, just be careful with the 30-minute rejection here. The next two 30-minute candles may want to continue down because that's going to create a new bottom wick for the new 4 hour candle. So you just got to put all that together and trade wisely here. But it looks like we'll be waiting for volume here with the NYSE open. So GJ's looking good though, as well. Should get a nice strong 4 hour close below. Damn, the boys got quiet and went to work. What you guys drawing up over there?
I sent you 2 emails. One's the logo, one's the virus. Choose wisely.
I'll make sure to get both and handle them with care. Just like you delivered like UPS. Sandy delivered.
Delivering.
Alright, hold on, let me see this and then I'll see what I can't cook up. I just been brainstorming ideas. I want to make sure that like when they come to me, I got them down, bro, so I'll forget.
Gotta write them down. The best time to act on an idea is when you think of it.
Literally, that's what I'm saying. Are you sure you emailed me?
Some people sleep with notebooks right by their bed. So when they wake up, they just have these thoughts. All right, so it looks like we're gonna close below here. Very interesting. Remember what we talked about today in the morning, right? 4 hour not looking too strong. Interesting. Very interesting. Wow, it's dripping. Yeah, this 1 hour candle did the work. 8 a.m. obviously NY open, right? Had a very strong feeling this would happen. Can't believe that's only 40 pips though. Yeah, this was good right here. 14, 15 pip stop. Yeah, that was nice. So if we look at the 1 hour, right? So the 30-minute has a resistance right here. But if we look at the 1 hour time frame, that resistance is right here. Right? So we have to adjust that. And is that the 4 hour resistance? Yeah, that's also the 4 hour resistance here. So I think that's going to be the most powerful one. We're not going to look at that 30 at this moment. We're going to look towards the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frames here. So this 4 hour candle is going to close up in 2 minutes, and we'll have a pretty strong idea of where we can potentially go here within the next hour or so. Where will price move to over the course of the next hour? Oh, yes. Yep, let's take a look at the chart. Oh, Sam with the juicer. All right, let's take a look here. So we got a chart from AJ. So let's see, we got support. We got the target down here. Candle closed below support. Took sells when break of previous low. Stop loss hit. What can I do better in this scenario, or what mistake? Yep, so the one thing I see right here, bro, is that this candle closed with no bottom wick. And when a candle closes with no bottom wick, there's a very high chance that the next candle won't have range or room to drive. So that's the only thing I would say, is that you entered a trade. Although the candle closed below, there was no bottom wick. So you're going to need that bottom wick to get into, or at least for me, I will never take a trade, never take a sell when a candle closes with no bottom wick. I'll just wait for the next candle. So other than that, you know, you waited for the closure below, which was good. You took an entry on the break of the lows, which was great. I think the big issue that you ran into here was no bottom wick. So that's about it. Other than that, great swing, right? Great try. Yep. Yeah, great work though. Had a nice 25 pip range, clean traffic to the left. That was your issue. No bottom wick. Great markup though, yep. Yeah, you guys are more than welcome to send charts like this on trades that you've taken, and maybe your wins, your losses. It's really good. We appreciate you sending in a losing trade, right? Everyone wants to send in their winning trades, but there's nothing to learn there, right? It's like, okay, great, you followed the plan, right? We're supposed to do that. But these losing trades are good, right? Because they're not really losing trades, they're learning trades. And when you send a trade in like this, you can learn from it, right? So no bottom wick. I think that's your only issue. Other than that, good to go, my friend. All right, so we had this candle close below, 4 hour candle close below as well. Let's right out the gate. So what are these 4 hour lows here? Let's take a look. Four hours bleeding already in the first couple seconds, so yeah, we'll have to see what's up here. GJ's not bad as well. You had a 4 hour close below. Internet unstable. You do have a wick fill here. There is a, yeah, so let's take a look. Yeah, I do believe we have to make a top wick. I mean, we don't have to, but we should make a top wick here. And then let's see what that looks like on the break of the lows. 15-minute.
Oh, what is the weather looking like today, bro? It's already getting warm.
Warm, baby. Springtime coming in the Northeast.
54 right now.
There it is.
It's supposed to hit 70 today, rain. The rest of this week's supposed to be beautiful though. 72, 78, 79.
Oh, not bad. Yeah, this 4 hour just right out the gate. We don't know if this is creating a bottom wick or if we're gonna break this low here. So we just gotta wait now because right out the gate with the push. But below this 15-minute support here is very clean. So we'll see what happens here. 5-minute support as well. Yeah, not bad. Clean traffic to the left right here. We can take advantage of that. Four hour, man, wow. 4 hour lows have been broken. Four-hour lows have been broken. Perfect. So let's wait for our closures and then we'll be in there. Gold is bleeding. Do you trade NAS? No, I don't. I think Sam trades a little bit of NAS 100.
Little bit, yeah.
What's your
Looks
thoughts?
like you're supposed to keep leading.
What's your thoughts if you do? Honestly, this strategy right here goes for every pair because what we trade is candles, right? And every candles are gonna operate the same. So let's do a quick little breakdown on NAS 100 here. So we have this previous daily candle closing bullish. Let's look left. Close bullish above. I mean, there's pretty clean traffic here to the left hand side. So just based off of that daily candle, if as long as we respect this low, we could always push back up, break the high, and continue up. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour opened up. Man, everything is just bleeding here. You have a support right here that you're tapping into. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour has a support right here. There's another support right there, and then below that is all clean traffic here. And then you have a resistance right here. So right now you're kind of in this range. If you sell here, you're selling right into a support and a rejection. I think it may be best to wait for a close below here and then look to take your sells coming down, unless you want to try and take advantage of this 17 pip range here. But yeah, you can maybe sell at the break of the lows, secure profits right here, and just leave a runner because you got clean traffic. If you get a close below there, that's gonna push your trade down even further. So yeah, sells below 13,190, 400 or 40. Not bad, not bad.
My chart is so different from yours. It's so.
Is it?
Yeah, like, I don't know.
What am I using here? I'm using. What the
I'm
hell
on
is this?
Oanda. I don't know.
I don't know what I'm
on
looking at
Oanda.
here.
My 4 hour closed below though for NASDAQ. Look how different the 4 hour looks when you're going to the Oanda one. NAS 100 USD. Yeah.
We need this one. Let's get rid of this one. I don't even know why I was looking at that one.
Yeah, that one has all the gaps in it. Yeah, now look at the 4 hour.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, nice close below. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour close below. Very little bottom wick, but it's still there. If this candle can create a little bit of a top wick, re-break the low, you got this wick to fill here also. So not a bad move. coming down to that support. So yeah, sells look pretty good. Just if you want to take them now, take them now. If not, wait for the low to break. Should be pretty good. Daily is same thing though. Daily. Yeah, you kind of got that range too here, so not bad, not bad. Let's see what gold's doing. Oh, it's green. Gold's coming back up. We did break 4-hour lows here. Sheesh. This 4-hour candle just opened up, started ripping. See if we can get a pullback here. Next 5-minute candle, maybe push up. No bottom wick here. See if we get a little pullback for the next 15-minute candle. That'd be nice. If we would have had a decent top wick for this 1-hour candle, this would have been perfect. Break of the lows, close below this level. Well, we got no top wick on that, man. We needed that top wick. Some of you may ask why. We needed a stop loss, right? Without that top wick, you don't have a stop. Well, you do have a stop loss, but your stop loss has to become all the way up here, unless you're just picking some random point on the chart, right? Which is a 55 pip stop. So yeah, you could have possibly used the previous 30, but even that was pretty steep, 35 pips. So yeah, I just want to see a top wick like right in this area. We got nothing, man. Flip bullish and straight bearish. Dang, gold. This would have been clean. Yes, would have, could have, should have. It would have had definitely would have been clean. 4-hour candle closed below. Yup. W on sending and a losing one. Yup. That shows you actually want to be a student here. Yeah, it does. If you can come, if you could pull up with your losers, then that shows that you really want to learn. Gold is bleeding, man. Yup. Not much of a wick on the 30. This would have been clean. Damn, gold gone. It's gone. Gotta wait. Just got to wait. We broke the 4-hour lows, all right? So we can say, all right, we can probably continue down, you know, moving forward here. 15-minute candle has a support here. That 15-minute candle closes in 5 minutes here. Would really like to see some sort of like a retracement on the 5-minute, right? Come back up, give us a nice top wick, or maybe pull back for the daily. I mean the 30-minute close right here. Next candle pumps up, gives us some sort of a fake out on the 5, and then starts our push back down. Get some sort of resistance, and then yeah, boom, we enter. And we enter. So let's see if we can get that. Only losses charts for stream. That's a better idea. Yeah, that actually is a good idea. Because your wins, it's, you know, what are we gonna say, you know? Great job, you know, pat on the back. You followed the plan, right? But the losses, at least we could take a dive into those and see where you're at, see what mistakes you may have made, and learn something from that. The wins, I mean, all we could really do is kind of give you a, you know. All right. 9:11. Got a few minutes for the 15 to close up here, so. What was that first sound? That was some claps for the winning trade, right? When do you know it's time to switch from student to mentor, or should you always be both? Yes, there's never a time to switch off of being a student. Let's put it like that. Right? You always have to be a student to the game, always have to be a student. But you know, I think when you could become a mentor is when you know, you can live out what you're teaching, and you can, you know, it's one thing to provide value, it's another thing to live it, right? So I think you could always be a mentor though, right? You could always be a leader. Either way, you're, no matter what in life, you're always leading. It's just, are you leading people the right way, or are you leading them the wrong way? So in a way, you're always a mentor, right? People are always going to look at your actions and see what you're doing, and they're either going to learn what to do or what not to do. So just understand that you already are a mentor, right? You already are a leader. So you just have to, you know, stay disciplined, stay learning, and the more you learn, the more you can teach. Thanks, bro, on Nas. Got you, James. Scott's an incredible leader, yep. Oh yeah, Steve Weatherford always talks about having a Paul and a Barnabas and a Timothy. Yeah, that's true. Yep, and you could always play all three roles too. So, you're always a student of the game, right? You ask anybody that is successful in life, and they're gonna tell you, most likely they're gonna tell you about, you know, some of the things that their mentor taught them. Some people, they say that they were self-taught, but they had to learn it from someone, you know. And that's what I mean. You may not be a mentor, but you may be a leader. You may be setting the right example, and there's always people watching you. So we got a nice little pullback here. That's what we were looking for. 5 minute pushing up. 15-minute candle is going to close here in 1 minute. All right, let's take a look at this top wick here. See where we get a top wick to on this 15-minute candle. Maybe interested in setting some sell stops here. 1 hour candle's looking good, driving down. 30-minute, 15. Oh, you know what? I forgot, we got 9:30 coming here. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for a 15-minute celery potentially at 9:30. We have volume. We got a lot of volume coming into the market here in 15 minutes. So we're just gonna wait for that, right? We've been waiting so far. No point into rushing into anything right now. We may get a 15-minute celery. If not, we get a 30-minute, somewhat of a 30-minute breakout here. A lot of times we'll notice this candle right here close bullish like this. We needed that little wick though. We needed to dip down bearish just a little bit and give us a bottom wick, because that's going to be our entry. And then wherever this top wick is, that's going to be our stop loss on our celery play. So I think this is going to be the best position of the day right here. Just will you be patient enough to wait on it? All right, you get a candle to close below. Next candle should be pretty straight to drive down.
Chat, one more like, please make it 100, please.
What do we got? 99 likes? Come on.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Come on, man. Oh. Leave the 99.
Hey!
Oh.
There it is. Thank you, whoever that was. Thank you.
Who did that? Because I seen it like
Person,
actually
thank you.
pop up.
Oh my
on
goodness, yeah, wow, that's
Oh,
crazy. Now there's
yeah,
106.
see.
Yeah,
There's
y'all
a-
are goats. 109. Sheesh, I just wanted one.
Let's get to 111 now. Can't leave it at 109. 111.
Yeah, you can't leave it on these odd numbers.
Can we get to 110? Can we get to 110? Can we get to 112? 112? Hey, I see 115. 115. I see 115. 120. 120. 120. There we go. 111. You're welcome. Thanks, K Knots.
Let's go.
K Knots, the real MVP. Just made my day.
Yeah, thank you, K-Knots. Thank you, thank you.
120? Can we get 120? Can we get 120?
Just saved my sanity.
I mean, if we got 113, I think we can get to 120. But we do have 113 watching and 113 likes here today, so pretty good, pretty good. Don't drive on us. That's our wick that we needed. That's our entry right there. So we need this candle to close weak bullish here. This is our entry right here. Now we have our entry, gang. So look, we have our stop loss. We have our entry. Now we just need this candle right here to close weak bullish. It's okay if it wants to break the high and go a little steeper, that's fine. But we have our entry point. And this is only a 9-10 pip stop, so it's fine if it continues up a little bit more. I wouldn't mind that. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at here, right? We got 15-minute time frame, 30-minute, if we can get this 30-minute to continue staying bearish, 15-minute celery. This is a decent high at this point. Sell stops at the break of the lows once the candle closes though. We need this candle to close weak bullish. And then we pull out the celery play. Let's see, do we have a, let's go to the signals chat here. Hey, by the way, chat, I was able to update all the links here for you guys. So if you guys go into the Time to Eat Discord, over here it says paid signal links. I made sure I got all the links updated for you guys. So whether you want to, we have I think we have 2 spots left for the Time to Eat Elite program. Then one-on-one coaching calls, I'm willing to do those, couple a day. So, you're more than welcome to join. I love to do this. So it's really, really fun getting together with you guys one-on-one. So if you guys need any help or want to spend an hour to an hour and a half together, asking some questions and stuff, then the link is here for the one-on-one coaching. And yeah, these are the signals too. So for those that were interested in these programs yesterday, all the links are up for you now and you are good to go. But what was I gonna do here? Signal room. Oh yeah, I was about to send out a signal yesterday after stream, but never played out. But do we have a celery play that we can take a look at here? And this is what all the signals look like, right? You'll get a alert saying, gold buy stops. You'll have the entry, you'll have the TP, the stop loss. And then whenever we move stops to break even, close partials, that's basically what every trade is gonna look like there. So do we have a celery to show? If you guys notice, all of our trades are pretty similar, right? Pretty similar breakouts. Yeah. But yeah, those links are up for you guys. So my bad about yesterday. Oh, I absolutely love it here. My second day only. Hey, welcome. Happy to have you here. Happy to have you here. How long have you been trading? How long have you been trading so far? This is not bad here, chat. We need this 15 though to close below the support. I didn't realize, but Nick, if you do the streams in 720 quality, there wouldn't be no lag on the stream. Oh, 720, huh?
What do you use to stream with?
Like
application?
like
Is it
like
Streamlabs
OBS?
or OBS?
Oh yeah, I'm using OBS.
Okay. Let me look at mine real quick, because there's actually a setting
Oh yeah?
so that there's no delay.
I think I might have clicked that setting, but there's still like a 3 or 5 second delay, I believe.
Yeah, like there should be like a little bit.
Yeah.
I really don't think there's much delay with this stream at all.
No, there's actually not much of a delay at all, which is good. Can you explain? Moolah Wizard. Explain what? Been trading since May of last year. Been in gold sell since 2030. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, very nice. Yeah, you took these sells up here. Nah, these were nice, man. I really think we should have pulled the trigger on that. That was nice.
Yeah.
And we planned it too. You know, we planned it.
For the salary, yeah.
Sometimes when waiting for the higher time frame confirmation, you're gonna miss the move on the lower time frame. So unfortunately, it is what it is. But guess what? More trades to come, right? There's still other trades. So I'd rather stick with the plan and do what I know best, and then get into a trade and, you know, regret it. First time following today. Oh, following GBPJPY. Nice. Oh, look at this. So we're making our way through this. What are we doing here? GJ. No, we're not trading here, right? We're trading up here. I don't know how that line got down there.
Yeah, this is so funny.
I don't know. What's that?
I open up my OBS to look at my settings, and I still have it from whenever I was trying to make you the.
Oh, the overlay?
Yeah, it says at Nick Stewart.
Oh, that's hilarious. Maybe we'll just use.
I was like, what am I looking at?
Maybe we'll just use that overlay.
Yeah, here I can put like a screenshot of it in the.
Can you share it in the Zoom or the Discord?
Yeah. Here, I'll put a screenshot of it in the Discord.
I think the only difference
It's just a black
is...
screen because there's nothing. Obviously, I'm not streaming.
Yeah.
Traders chat room. Yeah, I'm putting it in there like that.
Yeah,
very
chat.
simple, very simple. I mean, that's like what I was able to make.
So yeah, we
Just
might.
me.
Yeah, I think we might use this. It's very simple. I like it. It's clean. It's black. It's, you know, got everything we really need. We'll put our monthly record there. We'll have the stream, the charts here. I guess my face will go up here now, so it won't be down here. And then you got.
We'll see. We might be able to move it around in that. I'm just like not so like. The way that it's like set up is so, like those. Do you see like the boxes with the outlines? Like I would have to go into Photoshop and redraw like all those boxes, so that way you have the. Because then it's like you just put the camera over top of it.
Yeah.
Put the chat box over top. Yeah.
Yeah, if we can get the stuff on the right to the left, that'd be amazing.
Yeah, clean.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm lefty or something. It just doesn't like. It doesn't like it looks. I feel like it looks better on the left.
No, yeah.
What do you think, chat? Left or right? But I mean, if it's a simple fix, we could do it, man.
Yeah, I'm sure we can work something out. We can make something work.
We'll get the we'll get the record in here. That's what I really want to get in there too.
Yeah, because I think that's probably big for a lot of people on whether they stay to the stream or not. Boom, they see the record, they see it. You know, we got a good record.
They see the record.
Probably be more off.
Oh, I might need to hedge for the BOE rate hike tomorrow. Updates on the 20K challenge. How are you guys? I don't think they've started them yet. Yeah, I know Laurent got his yesterday, and then the Forex trader's getting his today.
Nice.
Yeah. From South Africa, by the way. Hey, Sean H, cheers, my man. Cheers. Right seems nice. Oh, right seems good. Love this. What do you guys think? Left or right? It's whatever you guys think, man. It's your world. I'm just living in it. Whatever chat wants, chat gets.
Very simple, not too distracting. Yeah, I think that's why I liked it too. I
too.
just like the sleek. You know, it's not like you got like a disco party going on.
Yeah.
Sleek.
I like it nice and simple. You guys know how I like things. Nice and simple.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta get you some blue light glasses. These aren't actual glasses. I actually don't wear glasses, chat. But these are the blue lights. Gotta protect my eyes when I'm on these charts. Right looks good. Oh, right. Oh, right. Oh, right. Everyone likes right.
Everyone likes the right. It looks like we don't gotta do much then.
If you go right, you can't go wrong. Alright, we might have to run that up for tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, it's already set up how, like, the screenshot is. The only thing that, like, and now it just might have been an issue on my end is I could not get the chat to work. The on-screen chat. I mean, that's a game changer.
Maybe because the super chat wasn't available.
Maybe. I don't know, like, what it would have been.
Did you use pop out chat or no?
Nah, so, like, the way it works is you'll go into OBS, you'll go to your sources, and then you'll get a website source, and then you'll get a link from Streamlabs, and you put it in there, and it'll automatically transfer the YouTube chat onto that source for OBS.
Gotcha. Hey, chat, let's lock it in here because I'm looking for sells. I'm going to have some sell stops here on the break of these lows.
Yeah.
So
we'll get back to it.
So sell stops are going to be at the break of this low here. Right here. A little bit below it. Stops are going to be above this candle. And that's going to be the trade. Would like to see a little bit of a top wick. Nothing crazy though. So I haven't activated him yet. I'm gonna wait for the next candle to wick up a little bit and then I'll activate it. Alright, so I have sell stops activated here, chat. Stops are going to be up here at 2026, 610. And then take profit's going to be down here at 2020 140, and then we'll look to manage risk when we fill this wick here, and when we come into these supports, probably look to close partials right around that area, which would be about 13 pips in profit, about 20 pips or so. Look to move partials or secure profits. So we got to respect this high here. Does the 30 top wick concern you? Not really. We've made somewhat of a top wick, but let's see. Are we gonna break this high? Do 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 do. Yeah, that 30 has no top wick on my terminal, but it does here. So we'll see. We'll see. What's your TP? Yeah, 2020 140, but this is probably where I'm gonna go risk free. See these supports in this wick fill? Right around there. Don't worry, everything will be up. So yeah, that's gonna be the trade. See what happens here. 15-minute celery play, 30-minute breakout, close below, break of current lows, so not bad. Hey, good morning, Muzamil. What's going on? We got volume coming in here with the NYSE open here, so let's see what happens. If we break this low with the volume in coming in, we should be good. Should be good. So trade's gonna look something like this. Alright, we'll re-add that if we get activated. What do we got on that? We got about a 20 pip stop, so not too bad. Hourly support at entry. Yeah, I see it. Again, if volume's coming in, that's when we're gonna blow past those supports. So I'm expecting volume. If we do break the low, I'm expecting volume to drive us down here. What is the previous 30-minute high? What is that? 29 pips? Yeah, we may have to move stops above there just to be safe. Did we break the 15 high again? Nah, we're holding that high there, so. We got the overlay coming in. I'm excited. When we break the low, it should be a quick push too. There's a lot of volume coming in right now. Lots of volume. Well, this is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've all been waiting for. A lot of volume here. Sam, you gonna record this one?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
I'll just like go back into YouTube and screen record.
Oh
That's
yeah,
what
you
I
can do that too, right?
Yeah.
Bet. Let's take a look at pound yen while we wait. Nothing here on GJ right now. Nothing.
Slow morning.
Yeah, slow morning. Again, the one trade we probably could have taken was this sell here, right? But I wanted to wait for a 30-minute, and that's what I did. So sometimes when you're waiting for that, you get lost in the sauce. Can we get activated? Come on, Goldie. We got a lot of volume. I could feel it building up. You can create clips on YouTube of the stream too. Yeah, I gotta start doing some more of that.
Yeah, I don't know how that works. 'Cause I know like the way it is with Twitch, someone clips it, it's 15 seconds, it gets its own link, and it's just like a little short video.
Yeah. My stops are at the current 30-minute candle. Yeah, current 30. Just because we've respected this high, we came up, we tried to break it again, we never broke it. So I think I think this high should be good. You can put them at the previous 30 though. It's only a couple pips more. All right, about 5 more pips. So it goes from like a 20 pip stop to 26, 27. Oh yeah, YouTube Shorts, yeah, definitely. All right, can we get the break of the low here? Get activated. Ugh. One hour looking good to continue down. 15.5, not bad. Stops are these 5-minute highs, basically. Activated. Oh, gold's just teasing at this point. We need a bleeder. We're gonna need a bleeder. Oh. Well, there's the 15 high, there's the 30 high, and wow. So yeah, I'm gonna probably delete these sell stops. 30-minute highs have been broken. 1 hour is flipping bullish. Freaking gold, man. Yep, I'm gonna delete these sell stops. Canceled mine. Gold going crazy. Gold, yeah, cancel sell stops. Feel for those that got activated. Yeah, how'd you get activated? Sell stops were... Yeah, I'm not sure how you got activated. Maybe spread? Maybe you got spread in. Happens.
Your spread would have had to have been like 5 pips.
Yeah, because so that wick was made before we set the sell stops. It did flip bearish a little bit, but it shouldn't have activated you.
Yeah, it didn't break the lower end, just flipped the bearish.
Delete them sell stops.
I always say this when we talk about it, but when you're making sell stops and buy stops, try to keep it, like, give it a little bit of room. Like, count for how much your spread usually is. So if your spread's like 2 or 3 pips usually for gold, then place it, like, so for example, I'd have had mine up 2 or 3 pips below the low of that candle. So
Yep. They still could be good. Like Scott mentioned earlier, maybe we make a bigger top wick for the 4 hour, because you see how we didn't have one and now we do.
yeah, same thing with the 1 hour as well. Everything.
So these sell stops, we may re-add them. Just let's see how this candle closes here. 15 is gonna close here. You may get a fake out on the 15, a resistance formed, and then continue down. Spread only on buy. Yeah, that's right. Spread can only activate you on the buy anyway, so you should have been. IC markets has always slipped me, but I got lucky this time. Oh, maybe entered on the flip. Yeah, maybe you entered on the flip.
Yeah, maybe. That is true. I forgot about that. Selling.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean these could still work out. Just basically, you want to see a 15 kind of resistance form now. One-hour candle. Interesting. See that quick rush down, man, does not last. Push down like super fast, man. Like within like what? A couple minutes here, 5 minutes, and then now it's struggling its way back up. So 15 is closed above the range. Yeah. See if you get a fake out here. See if you get a fake out here. But yeah, I deleted these sell stops. Or did I? Delete. Yeah, let's see how this hour candle closes here. Would fake out setup on the 1 hour be good idea? Huge liquidity grab. We are bullish on the day. Sorry, sent that after you said it. Yeah, we'll see. This is the same thing happened yesterday. We broke all the 4 hour lows and then just continued up. So yeah, pretty interesting. I'm sure if you ran a Fibonacci or something, there'd be a fib right here too. Some of you guys are running fibs. Possible 15-minute fake out. I could see that happening. I could see it happening. But if not, then we wait for the 1 hour to close. See how that closes and we'll go from there. $9.30 disappointed here today. We were expecting the volume from 9:30 to drive us down and just disappointing, gold. Disappointing. Do 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 do. Yeah, gold hit us with the gotcha. But that's why the sell stops were at the break of the low, right? We had to wait for that low to break. If that low don't break, very high chance. We were expecting that support somewhere around here. And that's what we may get. We may get this 30 to close back in the range. And you may see a push up to this resistance here. Do 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 do. GBP out muscling JPY this week. Yep. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Would you look at it? So let's take a look at the higher time frames here, right? So daily never came down and broke the low. So we never got that low to break. 4 hour time frame closed bullish, but we did break the lows here. But we also did do that yesterday as well, and then continued pushing up. Is this the, yeah, right here, broke 4 hour lows and just pumped. So you may see that here as well today. Yeah, it drove up strong too. Was that yesterday? Or was this yesterday? It's done that the last 3 days. Wow. Wow, that's interesting. So yeah, we may have our 1 hour support being formed to come back up to retest this high. So let's wait for this 1 hour close here in 10 minutes. Yeah, let's wait for the 1 hour here. Hey, shout out to all you guys joining the Discord, man. We had a lot of people join the Discord yesterday too. We have a lot of people join every day. Hopefully you guys are getting a lot of value out of this free Discord as well, because I see the action, right? Even though I don't really trade the London session, I still see a lot of good traders in there bouncing ideas off of each other, even in the Asian session as well. So it's good to see that. But yeah, yesterday, man, we had like a lot of people. Yeah, the Discord is lit, man. Every day we post a trade of the day too. So every trade we take is broken down in this section, this channel here, and very, very detailed explanation of why we took our trades. This is becoming my favorite channel in the Discord, outside of the food channel, of course. Show us what you're grubbing on. Show us what you're grubbing. We also have this traders chat room, which is pretty dope. A lot of really good stuff going on in here. Book club, if you guys are reading books, let us know what you got going on, what you're reading. Daily profits. Charts for stream. Again, if you guys want us to break down trades on stream, trades that you've taken, so we can review. Doesn't have to be nothing crazy, very simple explanation just like this. I think that's a perfect example of what the, you know, chart for stream should look like if you guys want us to extend on it and explain a little bit more. But we got the Asian session here. A lot of traders trade in the Asian session. We got the London session. Got some, oh, Michi, okay. Oh yeah, beautiful. There you go, nice move. Good job, bro. But yeah, and then obviously we got the New York session. And we got desk setups. So if you got a cool desk setup, let us see your battle station. Let us see where you're trading from. You get rid of sell stops? Yeah, I did. Yep. Got rid of them. And now we are looking towards, looks like we're getting our support that we've been waiting for here. We'll wait for this 1 hour candle to close. No news or nothing, so yeah. Price action says that we should be good. Should be good to go up if we get a closure above here. $15-minute juicer. Juicer. Just sit tight. We got 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes left. Looks like a no-eat day today. Oh, not so fast. Might be able to get a position here. But we're waiting for the good positions, right? The good quality positions. Where's Johnny boys? John's in school, I think, right? Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock. Very nice. If we could leave ourselves a wick, that'd be great. All we need is a bottom wick and then we'll be in here. Daily candles bullish. Weekly's bullish. 4 hour as now. We've broken the lows, but we're pretty bullish to continue up. 1 hour seems like we're creating support. 30-minute is looking like it's going to close above this range. And that's what we need, right? We need all time frames talking the same language here. So that's what we got. So we're setting up here for buys, and let's see if we can hold above this range here. If we can hold above that, then we are clean to continue pushing up. It's looking good. It's looking real good. Let me use the bathroom and I'll be right back. All right, let's see what's good. US 30 is awesome. It's awesome. Yeah, man, that's the possible setup, but I took a US 30. Nice. What's US 30 doing? Buys? Oh, there you go. Very nice. Oh yeah, nice buys. Clean, clean. What did USD CAD do? Where are we looking at that? Oh, you might get your range too here. Might get your range too. Gold looking good. See if we can pull back a little bit though. Alright, so it doesn't look like gold's gonna pull back. Got 10 seconds. This thing's gonna close with no top wick, ain't it? Okay, so we got a closure. We did get a close above the range here. 1 hour looks like it created support. We got a new 1 hour time frame, new 1 hour candle opening up. Getting ready to make a bottom wick here. So let's see if we can get a steep bottom wick down here so we can use that as our stop. Got a resistance right here, but if we're establishing a support, there's a very high chance we'll continue up, blowing past this resistance. But we're gonna need a steep bottom wick here. Let's see, let's see. No close above on GJ. Nope. Do. Yeah, it looks pretty clean on the 30, but then on the 1 hour it's slow, rough, right? You got this resistance right there. Four-hour candle pulling back. See what you got. 15, 5. Oh man, look at all this in the 5. That's just choppy. Yeah, you got a 1 hour resistance right here, man. Unbelievable, gold. Unbelievable. What are your thoughts on this, Sam? Sam,
on gold, I think it's making a slow move up. I think gold could keep moving up. I think US 30 could keep moving up too once it re-breaks its own high.
Oh yeah. Oh, you kind of closed right there. Yeah, but if it re-breaks the high, it should be good.
Yeah, I think gold looks good.
What kind of stop loss are we looking at? 17 pips? Not too bad. Not too bad. We're 4 minutes into this 1 hour candle. We never broke 5 lows, never broke 30 lows, 15 lows, 30 lows are good. Well, we're coming into that area here where we're going to get a bottom wick. Haven't really set up buy stop just yet.
Some good news, tomorrow should be fun.
Yeah, today's a bit of a slow day. No news, nothing really impacting the market. But yeah, tomorrow we got CPI, so that should be very fun. We're gonna test our theory again on the flip of the candle after the print. Nothing. Thanks. Might wait for CPI.
Yeah, that might be why we're ranging and moving all choppy.
Yeah. What are you waiting? What are you looking for on gold to take buys? I'll be honest. I'm probably gonna. This 30-minute, I don't know about this. It's only 20 pips. Stops are already 24, so I'd probably wait for buys above, closures above here.
Yeah.
I think that'll be best. Very choppy. Really choppy on the 5-minute too.
Unless she goes up and flips. And re-breaks on now. After it made that nice bottom wick. But if it comes down and re-breaks its own bottom wick right now, I think it's just playing around.
Yeah. See, that 1 hour resistance is right there, and I don't want to get activated into this trade, and then 5 pips, you know, we start rejecting. So
yeah,
I think it may be best to wait for a 30 to close above here, or that 1 hour to close above resistance. But hey, it's got to get up there somehow. Right? It's got to get there somewhere. I'm chalking it. Save the bullets. I'm chalking it. Close on the daily would be nice.
Save the bullets.
Save the bullets.
What happened to everyone else in the Zoom, bro?
I don't know.
Danny better have like 15 shirts made.
When their cameras go off, it like gets them out of the, takes them off the thing. Tanny's working right now. He's got shirts. They're already made. They're getting printed. He's grinding.
Oh my goodness! I just rewinded your stream like 20 minutes ago, and I'm sitting here looking at the 1 hour candle bearish. I'm like, what just happened?
Euro NZD. You want us to take a look at Euro NZD? Zane? Tandy's in the shop right now. Tandy's barking out orders in the sweatshop right now.
Yeah, he's in the
Let's
sweatshop.
go, move it!
He's cooking. He's cooking.
Pumping
He's
out
in the
the
lab,
shirts.
bro. Me and Tandy were in the lab earlier. Like, you'd have thought we were Walter White and Jesse Pinkman, dude.
Yeah,
We're cooking up.
That's cooking up the stir fry.
The kitchen wrist twisting.
He's pumping them t-shirts out the back door. Let's go, let's move it, let's move it.
Pumping them t-shirts out, bro. He's got like the old school like ink press. Wham! You just see him like wham.
It's like the scene in 8 Mile. Up, down, up, down.
Yo, I haven't seen that movie in a long time. Bro, I remember the first time I watched that, and I was like,
it's been a minute.
I was probably in like 6th, 7th grade. Dude, I literally thought like for like a day or two I was gonna be the next Eminem, bro.
Facts. I seen that movie in the theaters when it first came out.
Shoot, when did that come out?
I was young. I was in like middle school when that came out, I think.
8 Mile movie, 2002.
Wow, I was.
You don't want to know how old I was.
12 years old in the movie theater watching that.
I was 1 year old in the crib.
This guy said I was 1. Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's what I said. You don't want to know.
That's crazy.
It'd be crazy.
Sheesh, man's missed the whole 90s, bro.
Yeah, well, I mean, what's all happened?
Where were you in the 90s, bro?
Yo, you know what I want to know is where was I at before gold started driving? If you go to the monthly or the weekly and go back the whole way to 2000, 2001, it's literally like nothing's going on, nothing's going on. Then the .com bubble like just blows up and then it shoots off like $1,000 in the next 10 years. Crazy.
Seriously, what?
Yeah, go to like 2000. Go like 10 more years. Just look at it. There's like no volume. It's just like sitting down there ranging, bro.
Wow. This is
Yeah, where was
92.
that?
Wow, in 1992, gold was under $500 an ounce here.
Yeah, crazy.
Wow. 2004. So 2001 was right here. That's where we took off.
Yeah, that would have been that crash.
Right here.
.com bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2001.
And then if you look at 1971 was whenever we came off of the gold standard. So
Yup.
look at the price before. Yeah, dude. Literally in 10 years, it rocketed from, well, I think it was $30. I think it was $35 till was the standard or whatever. So
That was probably right. Yeah, 33 bucks. And
yeah,
then
and
it
then
started
Nixon
ripping.
signed the bill to get us off the gold standard. And
Yup. That ruined us. That's when they sold our whole
Oh, yeah,
nation.
it did.
They sold us
Yeah.
as a nation right there.
Right there.
Look at this. 19. What is this? 37.
Yeah, I gotta go back and like look through some of the history, but 1937.
What a 50s and 60s, what a time to be alive in America. And then the
Even
70s.
whenever they created the Federal Reserve, yo, you know what's crazy conspiracy theory is that the Titanic and the Federal Reserve are
Yes.
super related.
I know,
Yeah, bro,
I've
that's
heard
crazy.
about that.
Yeah, so it's like, well, I think it was the largest real estate owner in the world, or in America at the time, was on that ship.
Yeah,
He owned
man.
like 40% of all the homes or something like that.
Yup, heard about that. That's
Crazy.
crazy. It makes sense. Doesn't surprise me, I'll tell you that.
Does make sense, and yeah, same here.
Does not surprise me one bit. There were like 4 other guys that were in on it. Like, they were like, I think there was like four or five guys that owned like all this stuff, and there were some elites, right, that were trying to take over power. That, you know, they just happened to be not on the Titanic. But then
Yeah,
in the
exactly.
movies, they want you to think of it as, no, it's just a love story.
Exactly, yo, that's what I'm saying. Like, they like mash that up. That's crazy.
Word.
Well, I never even knew that until I don't know, less than a year ago.
Yeah, man. Yeah, buddy.
Someone even traced back where socialism and all that started in, I think it was like University of Columbia in. I don't want to say it.
What symbol do you use for US 30? That's this one right here. It's 30. It says 30 in blue. That's the currency.com one. Who held from 92? Yeah, man. Who held from the 60s? Imagine that.
Yeah, who held from 71
Word.
when Nixon signed it, bro? Dude,
I
if
know.
I could go back, I'd want to live in the 80s, bro. Nah, man, put me out. I wish I was born like
The 60s.
1960s, bro. Yeah.
Grew up
Just
in the
enough to
70s?
make it under the belt. Bro, even I don't know, honestly, there's so much opportunity with life, because even then, like, bro, you could have made way more with Bitcoin than you would have if you had bought gold.
Oh, yeah.
Like, if buying Bitcoin from like 5 years ago,
Oh,
you
yeah.
definitely probably would have made way more
5-10
than
years
that.
ago, yeah.
Yeah. And buying gold like 40 years ago.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, left runners from 1971, yeah.
Left runners from 1971. Who
Close
said that?
partials and left runners. Oh man, that's funny. Red FX said that. That's funny.
Y'all are
That's
funny
pretty
as hell, bro. Godfather swing traders.
Oh damn. I don't know what he targets, but he is father of swing traders. Wow. The godfather of swing traders, huh? Never heard of him. Oh.
Trade like Jose. Use US 30 USD. There's no gaps when you use that.
No gaps.
Me personally, that's what I like to use. I like to use all the OANDA charts on TradingView because then you won't get gaps.
Yeah, that's true.
But if you ever do get gaps, it's the same thing as just clean traffic.
Yeah. Oh man, I can't imagine trading up just off the monthly. You would have had a nice move here off the monthly. Closure above, bottom wick. Basically, it would have looked like this.
Musa Mill says someone's been holding one lot since $1,100 on gold, bro. How long ago would you have needed done that? That's crazy, cause
that is nuts. Yeah, that's your monthly swing trade right there.
Yeah, that's like
simple.
2018. Bro's been holding for 6 years.
That's
4 or 5 years.
Wow.
Bro, I wonder what his commission is or like his swap fees. You gotta get to a point where it's like, I mean, I don't know. I guess with gold or like any of those real world assets, you could just hold them.
Yeah, yep. Let's get rid of all these drawings here. Let's redo this. Simple. We're in this range right now. Not much more to it. Yeah, we're just chalking around now. Basically, buys above, sells below. He is also Raja. Is that the dude who was linking up with Raja recently? That young kid, who maybe he's not young, but he like maxed out like millions in prop firms. Is that who you're talking about? A shard or something?
Yeah, I have no idea.
All right, we're coming down to the wire here. $30-minute time frame. Doesn't look like we're gonna get anything here. Not even gonna lie. We're gonna hang out for this last 30-minute closure and see where we're at. If we don't get anything, we'll call it a day. Come back tomorrow for CPI. There'll be plenty of volume here tomorrow.
Well, I wish the GJ wasn't so choppy coming back down, bro, because it looks good on the 4 hour, like once it flips.
Oh yeah, it does.
But on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes, it's ugly.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. 4 hour though, man. Looks clean.
Yeah, that's the only thing I like.
30 minutes chopped.
Yeah.
Not much you can do here.
1 hour. Yeah,
This it's a nasty range right here.
US 30 ever come back up? No, it did not.
Oh no?
Nope.
It closed right at that
looks like we
resistance.
just overall the whole market today must be waiting for some CPI news.
Yeah. US 30 closed right at it. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
So popped off, broke the high right away, activated a ton of buyers, stopped everyone out. Real quick.
I like
the move
that.
today was the NY Open bleeder. Yes, it was. That was the move today. I admit it. Yep, right here. These were your sells today. I believe it would have got tapped out at break even on this. I mean, I'm sure we would have closed partials.
Oh, yeah.
Once it came down, but
What did that 1 minute look like?
it's that 1 minute looking
No,
like.
I just want to see if it did actually would have come back in.
Yeah. The 5, it looks like
I think it definitely did. There's like a 1 minute candle at 824 that went and just spiked up no bottom wick for like 23 pips.
Yeah, because if this was our entry right here,
Yeah.
we broke it here, pushed down, and then came back up. Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't even much of a big move anyway. I mean, it looks like it on the 30-minute, but I think we would have got maybe 20 pips out of that and then break even.
Yeah.
So break even day for you, Donald. Break even day. Yeah, no trades here for me so far. Oh, we're gonna go for sells again.
Oh, dude, gold just looks so ugly now, bro. Now it's like that 4-hour candle was just like breaking back below that range.
Ba, ba, ba. A lot of people following to see what you're doing, not how you're doing. Oh, okay. Yeah, if you guys have been here at this point, you guys know I only take quality trades, and there was nothing of high quality today. Just yet. That's why you guys see the winners stacked. Because they're only high quality.
Yeah, we only like to win. We only win.
Never
Even
gonna,
when we lose, we learn.
Yeah, never gonna jump into some trade just because we've been sitting here for X amount of time, right? I used to do that. Man, I'm telling you, back 2 years ago, I would have taken shit. I would have probably took this trade right here. I would have took this. 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 Yeah.
Would you have liked that bullish one that came back and closed back above there?
This one, right?
Yeah.
That was not too bad. It was off the 15-minute though.
And it was the last 15-minute of the 1 hour.
Yeah, it was.
And it hadn't made the top look yet.
Yeah, this was 9:30, and then this was 9:45. So.
Yeah. I think that 15 loan wouldn't have been too terrible. At least in retrospect, looking at it. I mean, you can always look at it and say this would have happened.
Right, of course. Yep. You were trigger happy, yeah, man. I was like, pew, 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 pew. Taking everything. If I didn't see something, I would scroll down to the 1 minute time frame. Get stopped out in 2 seconds. You're like, damn. That was pointless.
Yeah, you're like, let me get this 5 pip stop loss so I can make a massive lot size.
Yeah, exactly.
You're in the trade for like 2 minutes.
Word.
If that.
Next thing you know, I was done. Damn. Oh, gonna hop off, brother. Finish unpacking and go enjoy some South Carolina sunshine. Do it, man.
Yeah, do it.
Do it, do it.
Sounds beautiful.
You ain't gonna miss nothing, I don't think. Oh, we got a closure blow. On the 5. You may miss a bleeder, Scott, but it's alright. Don't worry about it. Scott's gonna log on like in like 20 minutes just to see what we're doing. All he's gonna hear is like, yeah, we took a win.
Yeah.
That's a bleeder. Uncle Scout's gonna be on here like, bleeder.
I love when you just come and bring that shit out of nowhere. Well, because it's like, I can't, well, unless I have the YouTube up, I can't see your camera, bro. So it's like, I have no idea.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because Zoom, my camera's not on there. Otherwise, I got a double camera here. Have a good one,
You
Scott.
have 2 cameras set up.
Enjoy, bro. No, I only got 1.
Oh, yeah, I was about to say, that'd be crazy if you had 2 cameras, bro. What are you doing?
Yeah. Hey, Hector, good morning, brother. Welcome. Enjoy that South Carolina sunshine there, Scott. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna hop on my jet to the Maldives for a while, I'm thinking.
That's
There
what I
you
was
go.
reading.
That sounds good.
Make a stop for me, fam.
Word, come scoop me up in before you make your
Pittsburgh
trip.
International Airport. Land there.
He's like the The guy from the 5 a.m. club, the book 5 a.m. club. Yeah, I'm gonna just jump on this private jet real quick.
Shit, I'd even take a rope. Just throw a rope out and I'll grab it.
My Forex funds, if I not complete my assignment phase within 30 days, they deactivate my account, or maybe I have 14 days extra. Yeah, hit them up. You can get an extension from them. Email them, tell them where you're at, and ask them for an extension, and they'll be happy to give you one. Yeah, choppy barcode time. That may be the day here. If someone knows it to me, please write it. Yeah, you can do that. Just email them, let them know you're up X amount %. You can get a extension, or you can get a free retry. But if you do the free reset, then you go back to the initial balance. So whatever works best for you. Okay, Nick, thank you so much for streaming. My husband and I appreciate you. We appreciate you, FB. Hope you have a great day. GJ close above support. GJ, did it? No, not for me. I'm looking for buys above this resistance here on GJ. Clean traffic to the left. Buy green. Green, bro. Where you been, Green? Yes, look at gold, just beautiful. 1 hour looking just juicy. Greens in the building. What do you think about the 30-minute retest play? What's that mean? 30-minute retest play? What do you mean? I'm not sure what that is.
Chat, if you want to take a play, look, this is it right here.
There you go. If it ain't on that playbook, I don't know what it is. I've gotten rid of everything in my memory at this point. If it ain't the playbook, I don't know.
Yeah, the setup we were just trying to take is, I don't even know if you see it. This one right here. Bang on it extra hard so you can see it.
No, don't break your screen.
Oh yeah, you're right. But that's the celery play.
Yeah, that was the one that we wanted the celery play down here. 15-minute celery. That's what you got up here too, by the way. You got a 15-minute celery for these cells. And then, yeah, we were looking to get that down here, but nothing. And now we have closed on the 30 and just nasty, man. So I'm gonna call it a day. We'll get back at it tomorrow. We got CPI tomorrow, so a lot of volume should be coming into the markets. So we'll definitely get some positions here tomorrow. But today was just a bit of a range game outside of that one position. But wanted to wait for the 30 to get some extra confirmation, but ran without us there. So whoever took that, great job. Very nice trade. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So we will see you guys back here tomorrow, 6:45 a.m. Eastern. Don't be late. We're gonna do the breakdown. We're gonna get ready for CPI, and should be a great stream. So Sam, appreciate you coming by.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
yeah, let me know with the OBS if you want to try and set that up real quick.
Okay, cool. Are you chilling right now?
Yeah, whenever.
All right, cool. So yeah, hang out on Zoom for a few, and we'll set it up. All right, chat. Hey, love you guys. Like the stream, sub to the channel on the way out, and we'll see you guys mañana. All right, later. Peace, guys. 2 days on stream. Discipline, yes, sir. No trades. Yep. Let me know. Have a look at the fat bank. Oh man. All right, y'all. Love you guys, man. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And we'll see you mañana. Peace.
The future is threatened.
Later, Gators. Peace.